Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome into our Wednesday live stream. Hope everyone is doing well this Wednesday afternoon, and it is great to see everyone in the chat as always. Welcome in, everyone. And before we get started, I do want to say thank you to Sally Port for the 10 gifted memberships before the stream started this afternoon. Thank you, Sally, very much. I appreciate that. And let's see who is in the chat room today. Hey, PJC, Greg Jonick, Ryan, great to see you. Sally, obviously, always great to see you. Hey, Ziggy. And who else is here? Hey, Legal Fiction, good to see you. Hey, Ben. Hey, Wixom, Agent. Drunkest guy ever is a very high bar for this live stream. Yes, it is, but I did see this video a few days ago, and this guy is just completely obliterated. So I think he definitely qualifies. We'll see, though. Hey, Nightwolf, good to see you. And who else is here? Hey, Jay, good to see you. Finally, I made a live. It's so fun watching by myself. No one will ever read my hilarious comments. Good to see you, Jay. And thank you, Legal Fiction, for the 10 gifted memberships. Thank you very much, Legal Fiction. I appreciate that. And welcome to all the new members that we've gotten so far today. Thank you, and welcome. And let's see who else is here. Hey, Liz, good to see you. Hi, Mark and Channel. Fortunately, I'm leaving for an appointment in about 5 minutes and will miss the live stream. Have a great hump day, everyone. Thank you for stopping by, Liz. Hope everything goes well. Hey, Susie is me. Welcome in. Hey, Erica. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. And who else? Hey, Tuxton. Welcome in. Hope you're doing well. I've seen this Drunkest Guy Ever video. I think he's in the running. Oh, yeah, for sure. When I first saw this a couple days ago, I was like, this guy is completely just way too hammered and can't even function. Hey, Erica's Adventures, welcome in. Hope you're doing well. Hey, Cloud Illusions, Corporate, Cornhalio, welcome in. And I think I've gotten everyone. So yeah, today's stream definitely will be interesting. We have this drunk guy, and we also have a sovereign citizen in child support court, which I started watching a little bit last night, but figured save it for a live stream. So my reaction is genuine. Hey, Side Bill, welcome in. Great to see you. And I think it's time that we should just jump right into the videos. Welcome in, Nick. Good to see you. So without further ado, let's pull our first video up on the screen. And this is from the channel Midwest Safety, always a great channel. And the title of the video, Drunk Man Does the Unthinkable in Front of Cops. Let's roll the video.
This is the drunkest person we've ever seen. He's about to take officers on a wild ride when their simple disturbance call turns into chaos.
I'm bothering my own room.
Okay, hold on.
Let me talk to you over here. I'll talk to you if you want to talk.
Fine.
If you want to talk to me.
Yeah, you can talk to me. I'm cool with you.
What's going on, sir?
Hey, come here.
Why are we getting called out here?
I'm waiting here for her. They gave her a hard issue about getting in a room. This is possibly my girlfriend.
Okay.
Hey, we're gonna have here a good time.
So,
But, she said she was
Are
hungry.
you staying here or no?
Yeah, I paid to stay here. I paid out of my own pocket
When did you pay to stay here?
this evening. But that's fine. If he wants to shoot me out, trust me.
Okay.
Holiday Inn will fucking get a fucking sweet kiss in the ass.
Okay.
Okay.
When
This officer is going to say something here.
It sounds like you got a room that you're paying for upstairs.
Yes.
You're gonna go up to your room. You don't cause any more issues. You're good to go.
That's fine. I agree with you.
If we have to come back here again, they're gonna ask you to leave, and if you don't want to leave, then we can't take you to jail for criminal trespass because now you're trespassing.
I hope they have it on
Okay.
video. And when they stick it in their ass.
They can get our video surveillance right here.
But
So-
this little over
Okay,
here.
okay, we're not doing that. We're not.
I'm just saying.
No, we're not doing that.
But
You're not just saying. Okay, so at this point,
Well, technically, I
So-
could have brought a van over here.
okay, I don't know what you're talking about. If I have to come back, you're going to jail.
That's
Is that
right.
fair?
That's right. I agree with you.
You got your room keys?
Yes.
Okay,
When it's
you
little
say-
over
Hey,
here. I'm just saying, nothing against
I'm
you.
not. No, you're not just saying.
Okay, well, this guy here.
Okay, we're also not doing that. I've already spoken
Well,
to him. What's your first
All
name?
right. Shut
Is that CH? Chad?
SHAD.
Stand by with this officer.
Yep,
Okay?
no problem. I'm gonna just shit up royally tomorrow. You know his gonna get fucked up. His gonna get twisted. Matter of fact, I better be here tomorrow when he gets fucked up. Because I'm gonna sit here with a smile on my face while he's getting twisted and he's getting kicked out the fucking door.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know what
Okay.
I'm talking about. Because when he gets twisted and shoved the fuck out, he needs to leave. He needs to leave like a fucking roach.
Okay.
Let's go.
I don't give a anymore. Well, we're waiting, right?
You got to stand in the right spot.
You guys are gonna.
Are you good if you just stay down here?
Yeah. No. You all should get in.
No.
You all should get in. Get all. No. Don't say someone should get in.
Okay.
Come on, my friend.
There's kids
No.
out.
There's kids out there.
Can you put your key card in? so we can-
No.
So this is one of those elevators that is, I guess, keycard activated and will only work if you put in your key cards for your room. So the elevator isn't going anywhere right now. And we're only 2 minutes in, and this guy is loud, obnoxious, arrogant. It's sad to say, but that's only the beginning of this. And I will say, because they posted this video for members only, so I watched this a couple days ago. So they posted it for members first, I should say. This is only the beginning, and the cops have the patience of saints. And trust me, you'll see what I mean.
I will do not. Get him in. No, you have friends
Listen,
here.
would you listen?
There's two elevators.
Okay, we need your key card to go up to the room.
Nope.
So you don't want to
Okay.
go to your room now?
You have your friend get up here.
There were kids. I told them not to come
No,
in.
then there's two elevators. There's two elevators, ma'am.
Okay.
There's
Are you going to go?
Trust me, Nightwolf, it takes a lot for me to get twisted.
Room or not?
Yes.
Okay,
But
okay.
there's two elevators.
Alright.
Two elevators.
Listen,
I
you need to calm down
No,
first of all.
I don't give a fuck. Fucking room.
Alright, there we go.
There you go. I'm gonna take an Uber.
There we go.
Alright, don't get in my face now, please.
I'm not getting your face, but I'm gonna take Uber. I'm gonna take Uber right now.
Okay.
So let's go back down
Sir, we're already going up to your room.
We're going
okay?
up to your room.
Yeah, and you can suck my cock. I mean, I don't give what the f.
Listen.
You guys got a warrant? You guys got a warrant to get in my room.
Listen.
Do you have a warrant?
Could you just listen to me for a few
No, I'm not gonna listen to you.
Come on.
You got a warrant? You got a
We're not
warrant?
going into your
We're
room.
not going.
Come on.
Warrant. There you go.
No, we're taking you to your room. Come on.
Nope.
All right,
Warrant.
then
have
if
a
you don't want to go
warrant,
to your
you're shoving
room,
me into a room that I
or
don't
do you want to
know.
go to your room, sir, or do you
It
want to
may
be?
have cocaine in
I
it.
don't care. I'm not going
I don't
in.
give a fuck.
Do you want to
I'm
go?
walking.
Fuck that, we're negligent. Bitch. I'm taking a fucking goddamn Uber back
Okay,
home.
then you at
Okay.
least need to get your stuff out of your room.
Then you need to get your
So
stuff
let's-
out.
I
of
have
your
my
room.
stuff. I have my stuff right here.
Let's just go to your room.
You ain't getting in my room.
I
You got a
don't-
warrant?
Sir,
You got a warrant. You have a
I
warrant.
don't want to go in.
You gonna meet me at the door and you gotta kiss my ass.
Oh
Check
Okay.
this out. There you go.
All right. Let's
This
pull your
is-
pants up.
Put your pants back up.
There you go. Oh, that's what you guys wanted to see.
Okay.
And at this point here, when I was first watching this, is when I thought the officers should have arrested him. Like, these officers are incredibly patient. That's what he's claiming, but I highly doubt it. He's just being drunk and stupid. I don't actually think there are drugs in his room. He's just saying all that to cause a scene.
Is that illegal? There you go. Well,
Pull
I
your
know
pants back up.
I ain't doing nothing. I ain't bothering nobody.
Well, you're being loud and
Bother me.
obnoxious.
Can you just show us that your key card works still?
I don't have anything on me.
You got your room keys?
Yes,
So
he
you
took
took your-
everything. The security guard stripped me of everything.
I thought you said you had your key card when I
No,
asked.
I don't have nothing. He took my wallet. He took everything. You want to check me?
No.
There you go. Hey, she can check me. I ain't gonna give you guys any hard time.
Are you good to stay?
Yeah,
You want me to put my shirt
yeah,
down?
no, we're gonna see if we can get the key card.
Well-
Well, just chill out, okay? Well,
Oh, now I gotta chill out because now I gotta wait for a key card.
yeah.
Oh, but they have it, right? They have it at the hotel.
You know what? I don't work here, so just relax
well,
a second.
either do I.
Okay, so just wait a minute while we figure things out,
You know what? I'll
okay?
just check the
No.
well,
Hey,
it's my room, right? I paid on it, right?
find out what they want to
Right.
do with him. If
We're
they
right,
want him in
we're
the
right.
hotel for the night, or if they don't want him here because
We're right.
he's acting up now. So.
That's fine. I'm cool.
Well, you're not acting like that, okay?
Now, I couldn't imagine being a guest at this hotel trying to get some sleep, and all I hear is this idiot acting and causing a scene in the hallway. I would be pissed if I was a guest at this hotel and had to listen to that. Hey, Anastasia, welcome in. Hope you're doing well.
What? I'm not happy with it.
No, I said you're not acting. You're out here yelling loud. You're cursing,
when did I
pulling down your
start wearing-
pulling down your pants.
When did I start that? Is that under video
Yeah,
surveillance?
yeah, we do have body cameras.
I hope you do. I
Yeah,
hope you do.
we do.
I hope you do.
Yeah, we do.
I hope you do. Check it.
Sounds like they're letting you stay in the room, so I'd be awful thankful.
I don't want you to stay in my room. I don't want you to stay in
You're
my
not
room.
even hearing what I'm saying. I never even said that.
I don't want you to stay in my room.
I'm not planning on doing that.
And I'm going to get the out of here. This place.
If you choose to
and they will get a call.
Okay, if you choose to leave, that's.
Hey!
So what time do you
And
have
they're going to get hit hard.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 in the morning.
All right.
All right, here's the key card. You can go back.
Okay.
There's going to be $1,000 bond on their f***ing van. No.
Okay.
No, I won't step in this van. I won't step in this room. $1,000 bond on their van.
Okay.
$1,000 bond on their van.
I don't know what you're talking
It's
about.
$1,000 for me to get in this bitch. Otherwise, I ain't paying nothing.
Okay, that's fine. We'll let
That's
him know.
$1,000. No, not $1,000. No.
I don't. This has nothing to do with the hotel.
Okay, fuck this
Didn't it-
fucking hotel.
Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna fucking reject this fucking debit
That's fine.
card.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Open it
all
up.
right, you can go back in your
Do you
room.
want your room key?
No.
We're gonna be back here. Not only is he intoxicated, I don't know if he's got some mental issues or what the hell. He started kicking the door, and that was. Is he coming back up?
Okay, Chad.
I want my phone. You guys took my phone away.
No, we did not.
We didn't
No,
take the
you
phone.
guys did.
No, we did
Okay,
not.
all right.
No, you did.
So now he comes back out of the room because he's claiming he lost his phone, which, quite frankly, is not the officer's problem. If you're that drunk and stupid that you left your phone somewhere, what do you want the cops to do about it? How about don't drink it? Don't drink that much. You probably shouldn't be drinking at all if you act like this in the first place, and you wouldn't have lost your phone. But of course, he's gonna keep escalating the situation.
No, you did.
We didn't take your
Then
phone.
we're gonna go in the bushes right
Okay.
now and look
All
at my
right,
phone.
Chad.
We're gonna
Chad.
go in my bushes, me and you. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
Chad, just go
Me and
back in
you.
your room.
No, I want my phone.
We don't
I
have-
want my phone.
We don't
I
have
want
your
my
phone.
phone. I'm cool with you. Was I cool with you?
Yeah, you are.
We don't have
Yeah.
your phone.
So,
Chad,
no, I want to go through the
Chad,
bushes.
we the police don't have your phone.
No, I'm not saying you guys do, but
Okay.
this hotel does. So I'm.
Okay.
You know what? You're
Look at-
all for the hotel. You're cool. So just back the off. I'll deal with
Okay.
you.
Okay. So why don't we walk over there?
No, I don't. My phone is not over there.
Chad, I don't know where your phone is, man.
My phone is in my pocket. You know what? I'm gonna get caught on the highway. You know what?
So after all that going on about his phone, he says the phone is in his pocket. Like, this guy should have been arrested probably about 5 minutes ago, quite frankly. The first time he mooned the officers. The officers certainly don't get paid enough to deal with this crap.
You know what? F this motherfucker.
Then are you
know what? I'm
leaving?
gonna fuck this fucking bitch. I'm gonna fuck him right in the face.
No, I don't think so. Are you leaving or are you not?
What?
Are you leaving or not?
Maybe I will if they can't.
We need to know what you're doing. Are you going to stay in the room or are you leaving the hotel?
I've been cool. I mean, you know, she's a little shitty. I've been cool with you, but she's a little shitty. Hey, we welcome you, and we gotta find my fucking phone.
No, we're not
man.
gonna be doing the phone thing right now.
No, okay. So then if she doesn't want to do the phone thing, then you need to set the back.
Do you have your
Hey,
room key or
Sean.
is it in the room?
No, I don't have nothing. I have nothing. There's nothing in my pocket.
We just got you back into your room, but you came out accusing
You know what?
us.
You know what? Because my phone is gone now, so
Well, we
there's certain
don't-
numbers I can't call.
Neither this
To get
officer or I know where the phone is.
No.
In the-
This. You know what? Take me in.
I don't-
Violate me, bitch.
Why do we want to do that?
You guys want to?
No,
Go
no,
ahead.
no,
Let's
we
go.
don't. No, we don't.
Let's go. Let's go.
No, we don't.
This, come on.
Chad, do you want to?
Resisting arrest. Come on,
So-
mother.
I think at this point, they're doing everything they can to not arrest him simply because they don't want to have to deal with him at the jail. Which, I mean, I understand that, but that's kind of your job. That's what you signed up for, to deal with idiots like this. And I know they don't get paid. They don't get paid nearly what they deserve. But hell, at what point does this not become disorderly conduct? I'm surprised, like, none of the other hotel guests have came out of their room to complain about the noise.
They gave you.
Come on.
They said
Come
you can
on.
either come back up
Come
to the
on.
hotel.
Shut up. Resisting arrest. Here we go.
All right. Do you want to stay here or do you want to leave?
You know what? F this place.
Okay,
do-
you're gonna leave? Alright, let's leave.
Hey, I want my phone. I want my
Okay,
property.
we can
I
leave.
want my property.
I don't know where it is.
want my. Well, then I'm not gonna leave.
That's your problem.
I want my leave. Come on, let's go in my room, my friend.
You can't get
Come
in your
on.
room because you left your room key.
You
in
left
your
your room key.
You want me to go? Then let's get my room key. You
Take
can
care,
go. You
Ziggy.
can go in. You can't. You can go in. You can't.
Listen,
you can search
listen,
all you want.
Listen,
F this bitch.
we know nothing about. We got called because you were acting up, and security.
Okay, here we go.
Are you going to
Here we
listen
go.
to me?
Security.
The female officer again gets the master key from staff, and they've now decided to give Shad an ultimatum.
You're right. Everybody's right. Everybody's right.
If he doesn't
Hey,
stay
Chris,
in the room,
phone
we're
right
gonna
now.
trespass him? Okay.
My phone is somewhere on the f***ing property, but I gotta
Come
find
Come on,
it.
let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
You know what? You know what? Let's get my out the door.
Okay.
Let's get my phone. That's all I want. We
Here,
can
go
find my
Listen.
put
phone.
this in your pocket so you have
No, I don't want that in my pocket.
Listen.
No, f that.
You're not
You guys
listening.
want my phone?
No, you're not. Listen. Get
No,
over
I'm
here.
not gonna listen. I mean, I like you. I'm not gonna start trouble with you.
Okay.
I want my fucking phone back.
Just listen to me for a second.
No,
Okay?
I'm not gonna listen. I want my fucking phone.
Your voice.
These fucking mother.
Okay, then get your stuff and then get out of the hotel.
This is the room I'm in.
No, you're down here. You either go in and be quiet, and if you don't, then you're trespassing.
Hey.
Did you hear what I said?
When there's adjustment on their yeah.
That's fine. You can
You
figure out
guys
the bill
said-
tomorrow.
Listen.
We need to get you in your room.
You either
No,
go.
no, no.
If you
no,
either go in the room, if you don't,
I want
then there's
my
gonna be a
phone.
problem.
I want my phone right now.
Yeah,
Damn motherfucker.
Gather your stuff and then we're on out of here.
I ain't paying
Open it up.
shit.
Open
I ain't
the
paying
door.
shit. I'm gonna deny everything.
Okay. Well, you're gonna gather your stuff up, right?
Yep.
Okay. We're standing by while you do
That's
that.
what you guys
Hey,
want,
Jamie.
right?
How about you sleep here? and
No,
then find
I'm
in the
not
morning?
sleeping here.
Then get your stuff
Okay,
Let's
then
go.
let's go. We're done.
Ah, shut the f up. Maybe I paid the bill here.
Okay, but they want you trespass if you don't want to be in your room.
Alright. Yeah, I'll trespass. here's
Just
the thing.
gather up.
They downstairs can suck these
That's
nuts,
fine.
not you guys.
Okay, gather up
But they can suck these nuts. You want to see these nuts?
No.
You guys
Hold on.
want to see these nuts? Hey,
Back
check
off.
it. Not back off. Fuck that. Hey, tell this bitch to come suck this fucking wiener. She can suck the duck out this
gather
fucking
your stuff up and let's get rolling.
Yeah.
We
yeah,
cannot
maybe
be here all night. Is that understood?
Hey, you guys are the one that suggested it. Is Nicole still
I
in
don't know.
Well, I want my fucking phone so I can call her.
But we don't know where that's at.
Can you?
And we can't ping it because we can't use our resources for
Okay,
that.
you guys can't use their
Okay.
I know.
Dad.
So you know what?
Can you
If
stop
I
talking?
stay here in
Is
the
this your
front.
phone? Stop talking for 3 seconds. Is this
Go
your
ahead.
phone? Right here.
We're
Look.
gonna be in room
Is this your
600,
Let me
room
see.
600.
You stop talking for 3 seconds.
fine.
Is that your phone?
501 is en route.
It's one of my phones.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
actually a company phone.
Okay. That is good. Find your other phone tomorrow, but we need
No,
you to either
no.
go to sleep.
We need to get this fucking done tonight. I mean, my
Alright.
friend.
Do you want to put those in your pocket? So you can
I don't want nothing from them. Fuck that.
Okay.
Alright.
You just we're
No,
done.
I'm sorry. It's nothing against you.
No.
But
Threw the card and
You
hit
threw the
her.
card at my face.
I'm sorry, but I don't want
So,
nothing from
You just
them.
threw a card and hit her in the face.
I don't want nothing from them.
Did you see what you did?
I'm sorry about that, but I don't want nothing
that-
from them. You know what? If they don't want me here, I don't want to be here. You think I want to be here?
Hey.
Hey,
Yeah.
man.
Yes.
There.
We're done.
Sorry.
All right. Come here, Shad.
I'm willing.
All right. Okay. Come here. Go
Yeah.
stand right here for me, okay? Go ahead and put your hands
So
on.
now I'm
transmit.
behind my back
Yeah.
because I don't want to stay here.
You threw a card and hit her in the
Am I sorry about that? Yes,
Okay,
I'm
well-
sorry about that.
Well, you're under arrest.
Well, apparently I'm under arrest. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God I got to go somewhere tonight, right? So if I wanted to stay here, I could stay here.
Well, now you're
Man,
not
I
anymore.
mean,
And now he's asking the cops if he could stay at the hotel. After all that, after he flicked the card and hit the officer with it, which technically is assault. I mean, boy, these officers were way too patient, in my opinion. The arrest should have been made a long time ago.
I'm asking you. I'm asking you, ma'am. Jesus. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Hey, guess what? I'm peeing down my leg. Hey, look, it's on the carpet.
Well, that's
Hey.
excellent.
let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. No.
You have to see where I'm coming from.
No. Come on, let's go
Well,
now.
you know what? I'm gonna fucking deny all fucking charges
Okay.
on my credit card.
Let's step into the elevator, sir. Let's go out to the police car.
Hey, guess what? I got a piss right here, buddy.
No.
No,
Let's.
I got to pee. You guys are beating me.
No, we're
Oh
not.
my God,
we
you guys are
we need you to walk to the police car, sir.
You guys are beating me.
No, we're not.
Oh my God, they're hurting me.
We need you to cooperate, sir, and stand.
Oh,
Sit down in the police car.
I did sit down in the police car. You guys dropped me. You guys dropped me.
No, we did
oh
not.
my God. Oh my God, you guys dropped me.
Sir, we need you
You
to
guys
stand.
dropped me.
God. You're not standing, sir. Please
I
stand.
am. Fall off her.
Okay.
You guys dropped me.
Oh my God.
You guys dropped me on my foot. I got to
God.
pee.
Jesus.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
Christ. You
I will
made my
not
bad
stand up.
shoulder go out. Come on. Okay.
And as usual, like all criminals these days, this guy has a bad shoulder. They always have a bad shoulder. Like, oh man. And this is the reason I think cops should be allowed to use duct tape on suspects like this. Loud, obnoxious, won't shut up.
Ow! 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 You guys hurt my shoulder! Ah!
That was my shoulder.
Ah!
That was my shoulder that went out.
No,
You
that
didn't
was
hear-
my shoulder.
No,
went
you
out.
didn't hear my.
Ah! It popped out a socket!
Stand up,
It
please.
popped out a socket!
Stand
You're
up.
gonna help me.
It popped out a socket! It popped out a socket!
Okay, we need you to stand.
It popped out a socket! Stop tasing me!
We're not.
You guys are really hurting my fucking back.
We're gonna have to go first because we got two on this side. So
Oh man.
You guys just smashed my face.
over there, grab it.
You guys just chipped the tooth. Got him? No, yeah, I think you did.
Grab his feet
Grab
off.
him.
You guys just chipped my tooth.
Are you gonna grab him and pull him through or what?
Trying.
Literally.
Oh, so you lied to me, right? You lied to me, bro.
Bring your feet in.
You lied to me, bro, right? Oh! You just banged my head. Whatever.
Are you all right? Right?
Yes, I'm
You don't
fine.
need. We tried and we gave him
Tried
chances.
so much.
We tried.
Hey, how's it taste? It tastes like a tampon. Suck my dick, bitch.
So
Nah,
what?
you get the fucking way, puta. You two can take me out.
We need you to step out. We need you to be cooperative with us.
I'll agree to you guys.
Okay?
Nah, I
We
agree
need you to be
guys.
cooperative during this whole process, okay?
What?
We need you just to cooperate with the process.
And I don't want that fucking spit touching me. Nothing against
Come on.
me. I don't want this
What's the
spit
blood?
touching me. Yeah, the guy assaulted me in the squad car. He assaulted me. He assaulted me. He
Hold on a
punched my face against the fucking screen.
On the
You're
back
getting
door.
fucked.
Chad.
You're getting.
Hey, can we just look at
I'm cool with you.
I know.
I'm cool with you.
So we
We were there.
Okay.
But he's getting fucked.
Okay.
You're getting fucked.
Okay.
You're fucked.
Can we just have you turn around?
We want to check your
No,
head.
no, I don't want nothing checked out. Fuck that.
We are.
This lawsuit.
Shad was then treated for his injury that he gave himself at the hospital. After being medically cleared and transported back to the hospital while still being uncooperative, he was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer. It's important to note that approximately an entire hour of footage of Shad being belligerent and constantly yelling was cut for your convenience. If you're interested in supporting the channel and the work our team puts into reporting these incidents, consider becoming a member for only $1 a month to gain access to exclusive members-only videos and perks. And as all
An excellent video from Midwest Safety. And be sure to go subscribe to them if you haven't already. I'll post a link to their channel here in the chat. But, like, how can you get that so messed up that you act like that? It really is insane. And that is just blackout drunk right there. He won't remember any of that in the morning. Hey, Martha D, welcome in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. And yeah, for sure, the editor spared us with cutting all that into only a few minutes. Boy, I mean, although it would be interesting to see the full unedited video as well. Just to see how much he really acts and how patient they actually were with him. Anyway, our next video today is a sovereign citizen in court. Hey, Happy Who Cares? Great to see you. Welcome in. So I guess this sovereign citizen is in child support court, and he tries the typical sausage script. Started watching this last night, but decided to save it for the stream.
I do object.
What is your legal objection?
My objection is that I don't wish to contract. I don't have a reason to contract.
Are you refusing to answer my questions, Mr. Millard?
I move the court to dismiss.
You're live on the record in class number 24 FD 487. This is an original petition and suit affecting the parent-child relationship with an acknowledgement of interest. One of you is in a room with a lot of noise. Yeah, if you ever participate on Zoom again for hearings, whether it's before me or another judge, just be aware it needs to be a quiet location so you can both participate like the courtroom would be. Okay, so we are live on the record in 24 FD 2487. This is an original petition and suit affecting the parent-child relationship with an acknowledgement of paternity. And this was filed by the Attorney General's office on December 6th of 2024. All parties are present on Zoom today, and this is a remote proceeding. And I am sitting outside of Galveston County pursuant to the Texas Family Code, section 201.1045. And I find nobody has objected to proceeding in this manner.
I mean, don't they realize how ridiculous they look wearing that KFC bucket on their head? Because that's essentially what it is. Like, man, he's gonna try and turn this court hearing right into a circus for sure.
Mr. Millard, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Sidney Millard Bay.
Have you legally changed your name?
Yes,
Okay, so you have a social security card with Bay? And then,
no,
okay, do you have a driver's license with Bay?
no.
Do you have a birth certificate with Bay?
Ma'am, I challenge jurisdiction and we
Yes, and that was
haven't.
denied, sir, so we are proceeding.
Well, I'd like to proceed to a de novo hearing.
Have you filed that request with the court?
I did. It should be in your paperwork.
Judge, I don't see a de novo filed on Odyssey.
Don't either. You filed that with the district clerk's office?
I did. It was mailed on the 26th.
You might not have received it yet.
It should have been there.
When did you mail that, sir? You said the 26th?
Yes.
Is that timely, Mr. DeHamation?
No, Your Honor. Typically, de novos are done within 3 days of a judge's ruling. There hasn't been a substantive ruling in this case. But there's nothing e-filed on Odyssey regardless. The only ruling in this case is that his lack of jurisdiction was denied.
And before we begin, let me swear you in, sir, because even what you just said to me was not said under oath. So again, your legal name is, what is your legal name, sir?
Sidney, capital SIDNEY, Millard, capital MILLARD, Bay, capital BEY.
Can you, and Miss Blake, can you state your full name for the record, please? I think she's frozen, so we're going to have to wait for her.
Hello?
Ma'am, I think you were frozen. Are you able to hear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what is your full name, ma'am?
Sonora Blake. Sonora Marie Blake.
Okay, and sir, was your name, are you the person who also goes by Sidney? Sidney Somerville Millard the fourth?
No.
That is not you? That was
That
never
is,
you?
that is my all caps name. That's not the name that I have.
Oh, I'm 100% sure you can, Sally. They probably have them on Amazon because they have everything on Amazon. Hell, if you go on Amazon, you could buy one of those fake traveler's plates and right to travel plates, which should be illegal to even sell them on there, but oh yeah, you definitely can buy fezzes.
Are you saying that's a different person though?
No, I'm saying that I am not that person.
Now, Judge, he has sent a de novo to the state, but he hadn't filed it with the court.
Sir, where did you well, if you can both please raise your right hands to be sworn in. Do you each solemnly swear that any testimony you give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I affirm.
Yes.
Okay. So sir, where did you mail your request to on April 26th?
I mailed it to the Lamarck office.
Okay, so you did not file it with the court. Mr. Division, are you able to read what it was? I just want to make sure it was a de novo and not a new trial.
Yes.
Judge, I can share the screen if you would like.
I asked you to read it.
Okay. So the title, it's non-standard. The title he wrote request for de novo hearing. Then he's got his name, and he's got an address, and underneath that he's attempted to put a style, and then he titled it nunc pro tunc, and then underneath that he's got request for de novo. Then he's got another title saying notice to the court, requesting de novo hearing concerning the denial of my affidavit of fact of dismissal of lack of jurisdiction. I am requesting de novo hearing on the following grounds. And he cited several cases. Which is not relevant. And there's a page 2. And he's talking about the postal box, the post box rule, which is also not relevant. And then he signed it on page 3, and he's got a jurat.
Objection.
What's
I
your
believe
legal objection,
I believe
sir?
that everything here is relevant.
Okay. I'm going to sustain your objection. However, I don't know if it's denying, but I'm going to find that your de novo request, I don't need to wait for that because it was not filed with the court, and it was not filed timely, even if I considered the AG's office the court, which I do not.
Can you repeat that? I didn't
You
hear
did not file it with the court, and you did not timely file it, even if you had filed it with the court. So we're moving forward today. Mr. Dehamajian, you may call your first witness.
Thank you,
Well,
Judge.
well, hold on, Your Honor. I have a question. Like, you saying that it wasn't in a timely manner, but it was on the 26th, and notice to agent is notice to principal. Notice to principal is notice to agent. Once it's in their hands, it's in your hands.
Not good legal advice. I'm denying, well, it's not even filed. I'm finding it's not filed with the court and it is not timely. You may proceed, Mr. Dehamijian.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, at this time, the state requests that you take judicial notice of our petition filed on December 6, 2024.
I take judicial notice of the pleading, including the acknowledgement of paternity that was signed by both parties with their all caps names.
Thank you, Judge. And the state calls Miss Blake. Miss Blake, can you state your name for the record?
Sonora Marie Blake.
Miss Blake, who is your child and how old is he?
13.
Okay. Now, when you make decisions, important decisions for the child, do you consult it with his father?
Yes, it depends on what the situation is.
Okay, and you're asking for joint managing conservatorship, right, ma'am? Where you continue
how
making.
Old is this child?
How old is the child, ma'am?
13.
Okay, and you're in agreement as to keeping it joint.
Yeah, I'm not really too concerned about it. Like, I mean, Old Squishy Gardner posted it, and I've seen a few other channels cover it as well. So, I mean, that's just there. Really isn't
Wanting joint
enforceable.
managing conservatorship where you continue to make decisions together, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what's the visitation with the child with dad right now? When does he get the child?
Whenever he likes.
Okay. And the child and the child and dad, they have a good visitation, good relationship?
Yes.
Okay.
Seems like to me like it sounds like she's inconvenienced by this entire hearing.
And you wouldn't you're not against that the visitation be the standard possession order in this case, right?
No.
Okay. Now, the geographic, are you asking that be no restrictions, ma'am, where you make your home with the child?
Yes.
Okay. And why are you wanting no restrictions?
Because I don't have a problem with moving places to where he's able to still see him. It doesn't matter where we at, he can still be able to see him and come get him.
Okay.
And he goes
Now,
to school here.
okay. So, do you have any plans to move in the future?
Not at the moment.
Okay. Do you have any job offers outside in other states or any other place?
Not at the moment, I don't.
Okay.
And ma'am, you're
But
in Galveston County?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you lived outside of Galveston County since your child's been born?
No, ma'am.
may I continue, ma'am? Your Honor.
You may.
Ma'am, what type of health and dental insurance is the child on right now?
Medicaid, children's Medicaid, I think it is.
Okay. Now, do you know what Mr. Millard does for a living, ma'am?
He used to work as a lineman,
Hey,
fixing
Terry Barnes, welcome in.
on the light poles and stuff, but now I too much don't really know.
Okay.
I've seen
Do you know
a truck. I don't know. I think he drives trucks. I don't know.
do you know
I'm
if he's
not for sure.
do you know if he's retired?
Yeah, he don't work for them no more.
Okay. Now you said truck. What kind of truck does he drive?
Mm, I just seen a big truck, like I don't know. I guess there's 18 wheelers. I don't know what kind of truck it was. I don't
It's
know.
it's a big 18-wheeler truck.
Yes.
I mean, like, I don't know what this lady is like, if she's on something or what, but she just seems so disinterested in all of this. It's like it's inconvenient for her. And this city, it owes her like 10 grand in child support.
And where did you see that 18-wheeler truck?
I just seen a picture of it on my son's phone. On Facebook.
And where was it parked?
Oh, I don't know. It was parking lot or somewhere. I don't know exactly.
Do you believe that he's driving a truck right now?
I don't know. It's a possibility.
Okay. Now, let's talk about retroactive child support. Has he given you any monies um, in the last 4 years to support your child, ma'am?
Yes, off and on
If
when I
you're gonna
request.
if you're gonna put a dollar
I'm
amount, how
sorry,
much is
Mr. Davidson, you interrupted her last word. I couldn't hear it. What did you say at the end, ma'am?
I said yes when I asked request for it.
Okay.
if you're gonna put a dollar amount, ma'am, how much has he given you in the last 4 years?
Altogether, what I added up that I had on my cash app, it was like 3,300.
Okay. Let me ask you this: have y'all ever lived under the same household?
No, not living.
Okay. Um, Ma'am, do you know if he's got other kids?
Yes.
How many other kids does he have?
There's 6 altogether, and
Objection.
One moment, okay,
Five.
ma'am, one moment. What is your legal objection, sir?
What's the relevance of my kids being drug into this? Like, I don't understand.
Court calculation, sir. You may proceed, Ms. Blake, and I couldn't hear anything you said. So if you can repeat your answer.
6 altogether, about 5 that's living.
Okay, so are you saying one is deceased, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, and so not counting the one child in this case, there's 4 children outside this case, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I only have one with him.
Okay. The 4 kids outside this case, are they all adults? Are they all over 18?
Yes.
Okay.
Are any of them in high school still?
No.
Pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay, you may call your next witness.
Your Honor, I call Miss Tatiana Young-Fleeton. I don't know if she's been sworn in yet, Your Honor.
Don't believe she has. Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Tosiana Young-Fleeton.
And can you please raise your right hand to be sworn in? Do you solemnly swear that any testimony you give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, thank you. You can lower your hand. Proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Fleeton, who do you work for, ma'am?
The Office of the Attorney General.
And how long have you been working for the Office of the Attorney General?
18 years.
And what do you do there, ma'am?
I'm a child support officer. I calculate child support, medical support, and dental support, and retroactive child support, medical support, and dental support.
Ma'am, what did you calculate in this case?
Retroactive child support.
And what were your findings there?
For the year 2021, minimum wage, gross $1256.67, net $1159.87 for 12 months, at a total of $232 a month, based on 20%, for a total of $2,784. Excuse me. For 2022, minimum wage $1256.67, net $1159.87 at 12 months, at a total of $232 based on 20%, for a total of $2,784.
And no matter what the court rules, he's probably not going to end up paying anything because, after all, he's going with the sovereign citizen defense and that, the court has no jurisdiction or authority over him, which, if that were the case, like, why would he even bother showing up? If he truly thought the court had no jurisdiction over him, why show up? The sovereign citizens can never answer that question. And if they do answer that question, it's because they'll say something like, well, if I didn't show up, you would send kidnappers to my house to kidnap me, which is just so moronic. And I doubt that this woman will ever see a single cent of child support from this guy.
For 2023, gross minimum wage $1256.67, net $1159.87 for 9 months, at a total of $232 based on 20%, for a total of $2,088. Also for 2023, for 3 months, gross $2,119.80, net $1,870.66. For 3 months at $374 based on 20%, for a total of $1,122. For 2024, gross $4,092, net $3,457.80 for 3 months at $692 based on 20%, for a total of $2,076. For 2024, minimum wage, gross $12.56.67, net $11.59.87 at 9 months at $232 based on 20% for a total of $2,088. And for 2025, gross $12.56.67 minimum wage, net $11.59.87 at 4 months at $232 based on 20% for a total of $928. The subtotal $13,870 with a credit of $3,300 for a total of $10,570.
Judge, at this time, I offer State's Exhibit 1, which is the retrocalc based on Ms. Fleeton's testimony.
Don't see the case is even open for today. Anyone have any objection to me entering the exhibit? What was it, State's Exhibit?
1, Your Honor.
State's Exhibit 1?
Yes.
Hi, Ace. Welcome
Ms.
in.
Blake, do you have any objection to State's Exhibit 1?
No, ma'am.
And Mr.
Oh, you know for sure, Sally, that this Father of the Year, Sobsit father, he's definitely trying to teach his kids this sovereign citizen stuff and drag them down that rabbit hole as well, which is just completely ridiculous.
Laura, do you have any objection to State's Exhibit 1 being admitted into evidence?
I do object.
What is your legal objection?
My objection is that I don't wish to contract. I don't have a reason to contract.
Well, there you have it. He doesn't wish to contract with the court or the government. Case dismissed, right?
I do enough already for Sonora and my son.
Okay. I'm going to overrule that objection and admit this into evidence. And do know, sir, you'll get a chance to explain why you don't believe back child support is appropriate. State's Exhibit 1 is admitted, and you may continue, Mr. DeHamajian.
Judge, I pass the witness, Ms. Fleeton.
Okay. You may call your next.
Hey,
actually,
Patricia,
Mr. Miller,
welcome
do you have any
in.
questions for Ms. Young-Fleeton?
I only object to this proceeding because I moved to dismiss. There's no reason for this, and you all have me here.
Okay. I'm overruling the objection. Ms. Blake, do you have any questions for Ms. Young-Fleeton?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You may call your next witness, Mr. DeHamajian.
Thank you, Judge. I call Mr. Millard. Mr. Millard, can you state your name for the record?
Sydney Millard Bay.
Mr. Millard, what do you do for a living, sir?
Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. What do you do for a living? Let me guess. Probably nothing. Probably collect money off the government if I had to guess.
I have a question. I'd like to know the proper names for yourself, the judge, and the other officer that was here.
Judge, objection, non-responsive.
I believe that there's a conflict of interest here because at least two of you work for the state.
Okay. I'm going to overrule the objection. My name is Judge Jennifer Baker. Mr. Gary DeHamajian, his name is written right there on the screen. Miss Tosiana Young-Fleeton, her name is on the screen as well. So you may proceed, Mr.
And who are they employed by?
Sir, it says they work for the Office of the Attorney General. You may proceed, Mr. DeHamajian.
Sir,
so everyone works for the Office of the Attorney General?
I don't. You may proceed, Mr. DeHamajian.
Mr. Millard, what do you do for a living?
So you work for the state?
I mean, it's obvious that he's not going to answer any of the lawyer's questions. This is just a waste of time trying to go through the motions.
Objection, non-responsive.
Sustained. Sir, please answer the questions.
I don't work
Well, there's the
Are you
shocker.
retired?
I don't understand. I don't understand where we're going here. I already said what I need to say in this matter, but you guys keep pushing forward. So I'm not. I'm telling you that I don't want a contract, and you're steady trying to draw me into your jurisdiction, and that's not what I want.
Sir, do you own an 18-wheeler?
I don't understand.
Do you drive a truck for a living, sir?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Are you refusing to answer my questions, Mr.?
What's so complicated about that question do you not understand? Do you own a truck? It's a yes or no question. What the hell do you mean you don't understand? You understand exactly what the lawyer is asking you. You're just playing your sovereign citizen games, and for some reason you think it's a great legal strategy, but in the end, it's just probably going to come back to bite you in the ass, if anything.
Mr. Millard?
I move the court to dismiss.
How many times do they have to rule on your stupid motion to dismiss? It's already been denied, I think now 3 times in this hearing. It's denied, sir. Like, the judge already ruled on it. You just keep bringing it up. That's not going to change anything. It's always going to be denied. You're just wasting time, the court's time, and resources.
I'm denying that request. You may proceed, Mr. Majon.
Mr. Millard, do you live in a home or an apartment?
I live within myself.
Do you pay rent?
I live within myself.
Do you own a car, sir?
I move the court to dismiss.
I'm denying that
Objection.
request, sir. Please answer the question so I can make an appropriate ruling in your case. This is not a contract. International Shoe says I have jurisdiction of you. You were served in Texas. This child lives in Galveston County. We are proceeding with the Attorney General's petition.
I don't understand.
Do you pay rent, sir?
I don't understand.
Do you have a car?
I don't understand.
Judge, the witness is refusing to answer questions.
He's saying he doesn't understand. He might not understand.
Hmm.
Just ask your questions to the best of your ability, and I'll make my ruling to the best of my ability.
Okay.
You can impeach him if you have impeachment evidence.
I mean, Judge, don't play into his little sovereign citizen games, because that's exactly what he wants. What's so difficult about the question, do you own a vehicle? Does he not understand? I mean, seems like to me he speaks English, pretty well. It's like, how can he not understand that simple, basic question? It's just, all of this is just a game to him. Don't allow him to continue doing this.
Mr. Millard, do you own a phone?
I don't understand.
What are you using for Zoom, sir? What device are you using?
This is a tablet.
Okay, so you own a tablet. Do you know what a phone is? Do you know what a telephone is? Maybe he needed to use the full word.
I mean, really, they're really talking to him right now, like he's a freaking 2-year-old. Do you? These questions are just freaking absurd. Like, this is just so ridiculous.
Do you own a phone, sir?
I don't understand.
Which part of that did you not understand so he can break it down for you?
Any of it. Like I
You know-
don't understand these proceedings. I don't even understand why I'm here. Like I told you guys that I don't want a contract. I don't need to contract.
Then why are you
Sir,
And I
there
asked
then?
the court
Why are you there then if you courted to you, they have no jurisdiction and you don't contract with them? Why the hell did you even show up for this hearing? Make it make sense, dude.
to move to dismiss.
I'm
I'm
denying that.
They denied it now 4 times, maybe even 5 times. I lost count. How many times did they have to deny it for you to take the hints?
This is your chance to provide evidence, sir. Otherwise, I'm just going to make my ruling.
Evidence of what? Of
The
what? That I'm
issues
here?
before me, sir, I can't give legal advice, but I can let you know the issues before me are conservatorship, possession and access, support, child support, medical support, dental support, and back child support. So that is what I am going to be ordering today.
And I already do all of that, John. So I object to this whole thing.
I understand you object, sir, and I'm overruling your objection. Mr. Dehamian, do you feel you need any more testimony from Mr. Bay?
no, Judge. I passed the witness.
Do you have any other witnesses?
I recall Ms. Blake just briefly.
Okay, you may do so.
Ms. Blake, do you? I mean, you could.
I'll tell you why Miss Blake, is acting the way she is. It's because she already knows she's not going to see a single penny from this freaking deadbeat, and she knows that, this is just a waste of time. And she probably didn't even ask for this. It's probably the state that's going after him for the child support. But she really knows that this is all just a waste of time because she isn't going to see a single cent no matter what the court rules.
Just answer to the best of your knowledge. Do you know if Mr. Millard lives in a home or an apartment?
I think he live in a home.
Do you know if he how many vehicles does he have?
No, I don't know.
Okay. Pass the witness, Your Honor.
The state does not represent either party, so I'm going to give you each a chance to let me know if there's anything additional regarding those issues that I just described. Ms. Blake, is there anything additional you'd like to say?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Millard, is there anything additional you'd like to say?
Yes, I'd like the court to move to dismiss. I object to all of.
That has to be like the 6th time now that he's motioned the court to dismiss. Like, does he need it to be beaten with a hammer or something to get it through his thick skull that they're not going to dismiss the case no matter how many times he demands that they do? Like, take the hint, dude. They are not dismissing the case. You have not made one legal argument that would even make them consider dismissing the case.
These proceedings.
I'm going to make my ruling and render based on the testimony presented. Before I rule, I'm letting each party know that you do have a right to a de novo hearing before the referring court regarding any decisions I make. That request must be filed with the district clerk's office. I am finding once again there is jurisdiction over this matter. The child lives in Galveston and Mr. Millard was served in Texas. Those service papers are on file with Galveston County as reflected in my previous ruling. I'm appointing the parties joint managing conservators with Ms. Blake having the right to determine the primary residence of the children within Galveston and contiguous counties, or any county that touches Galveston. Before I continue, Mr. Dehamian, do you have any requests regarding medical support or child support?
Yes, Your Honor. We do have
no need. You didn't present it. I'm going to just create a child support amount. Bear with me. Okay. I'm setting child support based on minimum wage.
I agree, legal
There's one child
fiction.
before the court and no others. I'm
There is a 0.00% chance that he is ever going to pay any of this, no matter what the court rules, no matter how many, fees and interest that the court rules against him. The simple fact of the matter is he's never going to pay it. So really, I mean, it's all just basically a waste of time.
finding that nobody has access to private insurance at a reasonable cost. I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake cash medical support of $35 per month beginning May
Objection, Your Honor.
2025. Sir, let me get through my ruling. Beginning May 1st.
I have a question.
Sir, let me get through my ruling and then you
I
can
have
ask.
medical insurance for my
Let
son.
me. Okay, you did not testify to that, and you said it was you. I think you might have objected to the question. So where do you have medical insurance available?
I didn't hear the question.
Okay, what insurance? How do you have insurance for your son? Is it through a job? Is it through the marketplace? Is it through a relative? Is it?
I mean, really, all he's doing now is trying to stall. Notice the long pause between when the judge asks him a question and he answers? It's because he's trying to come up with an excuse or some BS answer that he can use. That's all he's doing right now because for whatever reason, they think that Stalin is just going to help them, which I don't know why they think that because it never ever helps them. Just take a look at Darrell Brooks and see how much Stalin helped him in his case.
Proceed, Your Honor.
No, this is important. Where is the insurance from? I don't know.
It's through a marketplace.
Okay, so you have gone on the marketplace and you purchased insurance? Is that true? That's what you're saying? You went online and purchased insurance, or you called and purchased insurance?
Yes.
Okay. What company is that through?
I don't know. I don't have the documents in front of me.
Have you provided Ms. Blake with those documents so she can use the insurance?
I did.
Okay. And do you know how much it costs per month?
I don't remember.
Is there a place you could go look that information up? It will
not
affect
right
your
now.
child support and it will make your child support lower. So it will help you to look up this information.
I don't know, Your Honor. I don't have the information with me right now.
Okay, are you in your house right now? You don't have it anywhere in your house.
Go ahead, Your Honor.
Miss Blake, do you know that he has private insurance? Miss Blake, has he given you the cards? You have to answer out loud.
Hold on. Let me look on my phone before I say. Okay, it's what is this? I have a card he sent me. It's a discount card. Hello?
We're listening to you, ma'am.
Ma'am?
We're listening.
Oh, yes, I pulled up a card. I pulled up a card that he sent me, but it doesn't have a amount on here. It just says benefit level, individual, children, the group number,
What company?
member ID, NCE. It says a discount card. That's what it says on there.
Now, I'm not an expert in insurance or anything like that, but I'm highly suspicious that a discount card is legit insurance. I'm guessing it's probably not.
I don't know if you can see it or not. See if you can see it. Did you see?
Nope. Do you
Well,
want
hold
to
on.
send that to the Attorney General's office so they can look at it? So are you on this insurance as well, Mr. Millard?
I just only. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll be a mother.
And please remember
Oh,
your report. Please watch your language.
Judge, we're trying to call her right now to log back on.
She might.
I have a question, Your Honor. Do you have an address for the de novo hearing? For me to send the de novo hearing to?
It is the district clerk's office in Galveston County. I don't have the address. Ms. Maripis, if you can look that up. Or sir, you can Google it. Right now she's not here, so if you want to take the time to Google that, you may.
And you said it's in Galveston?
Yes, it's the courthouse in Galveston County, Texas. Galveston County District Clerk's office. I don't know what address they use.
I just got off the phone with her. Her phone died. She'll be logging in shortly.
Judge, would you still need her to be on video at this point, or can she just call in?
No, she needs to be on video. She might need to drive somewhere where she has good reception. She knew she had this hearing today.
Okay. Can you hear me, Miss Blake, now?
yes,
Good. Looks like you're back.
yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, can you forward me that card that you were talking about? That discount card?
Okay. Okay, the other card that was on there is from American Financial Security Life Insurance Company. The effective date was 11/26/2024. Do you need the member ID on it? If that'll help, if it didn't come through.
No, I would need to see the card.
Do we need to be on the record? Why don't we get on the record?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
We can start the recording again. Okay. So yes.
So, Your Honor, we've found something out. We've Googled NCE, and it's like what Mom said. It's a discount card. It's not insurance.
Okay.
So I don't know if that would help the court finish its ruling.
That does help.
And after all that, surprise, surprise, it's not an insurance card. What a shocker.
Sir, do you know anything else beyond that, Mr. Millard?
Objection. Your Honor, she just read the other name of the card for the insurance.
The other was, I believe, well.
There's life insurance.
Yeah. So do you have any other health insurance available?
It's medical insurance, Your Honor.
Okay, can you provide some testimony about that? So, because I can only rule based on evidence before me. I can't go investigate.
That's fine.
And I can't. So I want to hear this testimony, but you need to provide it, sir, because no one else has information. It's not fine. I'm supposed to order insurance through your job if you have it, or then through another source if you have it. And then a state plan is supposed to be last on the priority list. So if you have it through another source, which it sounds like you might, I should be ordering that. But I need evidence to do that, sir.
I don't have it. That's
okay. Okay. Does anyone have anything else they'd like to say before I conclude my ruling? Okay. So render judgment. I'm ordering the parties joint managing conservators with Ms. Blake having the right to determine the primary residence of the child within Galveston or any county that touches Galveston County. Ordering that Mr. Millard has visitation pursuant to the pursuant to the standard possession order. I'm finding nobody has access to private health insurance at a reasonable cost, so I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake cash medical support of $35 per month beginning May 1st of 2025. Finding nobody has access to dental insurance at a reasonable cost. I'm ordering that Mr. Millard, is Ms. Blake here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, if you can stay on camera, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
You're in court. Mr. Millard, thank you for staying on camera. I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake child support of $225 each month beginning May 1st, 2025. And based on the testimony provided today and evidence presented, I'm ordering back child support in the amount of $6,500 as of today, April
I mean, that's all well and good, Your Honor, but like you realize he's never gonna pay it. There is 0.0000% chance in hell he is ever gonna pay any of that.
28th, 2025. That's a back child support judgment against Mr. Millard. It will accrue interest for the family code at a rate of 6% per annum. It is not an installment debt. Other remedies can be used to collect this if appropriate. However, I am ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake $50 each month beginning May 1st, 2025 towards that judgment, with a step up to $275 when child support ceases per the family code. And I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay court costs as billed to Galveston County by April 28th, 2026. The state is going to draft the order based on my ruling today, and they'll be sending it to both of you through DocuSign to review and sign. If you don't sign it, they will be submitting it to me, and I will confirm that it matches my ruling and sign off on it. So we're going to have you all go back to your breakout rooms, so you'll get a chance to review the order in private and confirm it matches the ruling. But thank you both for coming in, and good luck going forward with everything.
Boy, that was kind of exhausting, that hearing. I mean, it's just like I said a minute ago. I mean, essentially, it was a waste of time because he's never going to pay that. And I guarantee you, at some point, we'll see him again on YouTube in a contempt hearing or something for not paying it, or something stupid, or him trying to appeal the ruling or something stupid like that. Oh boy. He should have moved to dismiss again. Well, if you don't succeed, try at least 6 or 7 more times, right? Boy. I don't know, to me it felt like that was just a waste of resources, in my opinion. Our next video today is Big Bully meets no nonsense cops.
Hey, you alright, man?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, okay. Hey, I saw your car's been here a little minute. Just want to make sure.
My homegirl, that works for me.
I'm sorry?
My homegirl works with Jennifer.
Oh, okay. What's that there?
Wait.
No, the drink.
I don't know.
That mic's right there. Aren't you on probation?
Yeah, that's not mine.
Whose car is this?
Well, we're off to a great start here. A dude at a gas station with an open container of it sounds like Mike's Lemonade, which is an alcoholic beverage. Oh boy, this is gonna be good.
You have your ID on? You can roll down the window, please. You're Christopher Heath, right? Huh?
I just got to open it.
Yeah, that's fine. Any weapons on you? No guns in the vehicle?
Guns.
I'm just asking.
I'm surprised you didn't say guns.
Nah, I'm gonna be realistic with you.
Never knew why they do that.
Your probation stipulation is no alcohol, right?
Yeah, I don't think.
So why are you having alcohol right there?
That was my buddy. That's not mine. Matter of fact, that one was my homegirl.
I disagree, Wixom. Mike's Lemonade is pretty good, in my opinion. I like their lemonade flavor, and the black cherry flavor is also good. But man, they are expensive. Like, and Uber Eats is just way overpriced now when ordering alcohol. Like, so I've been basically cutting back on it. The last time I ordered out for a 24-ounce can, they were charging on Uber Eats $6, which that's just insane to me. When it really only costs, if you go to the store in person yourself, it only costs about $3, sometimes even less.
Look at all that trash over there, dude. I don't ride in the passenger side.
Give it to me. This one's still cold.
I know, it's my homeboy's.
Okay. And where's your homeboy at now?
Right, I'm home asleep.
And when were you with him?
Before I dropped her off.
Where does he live at?
So on top of the mics, oh boy, this is just getting better. On top of the mics, he has a twisted tea. That might be the mango flavor, I can't tell. which I really was never a fan of the mango Twisted Tea flavor. I'm more Twisted Tea original guy. Either Twisted Tea original or half and half is great, in my opinion.
In the B section.
What's his name?
Robert.
Robert what?
Sexdorf.
Robert Sexdorf?
T, don't pick on his name, bro.
I'm just asking. I'm going to confirm.
Really his name, dude.
Okay, and when did you drop him off?
He got King.
I wish I had a Twisted Tea right now, actually. Right now, I'm just drinking this brisk iced tea, which doesn't have any alcohol in it. But it is pretty good. It's lemon flavored, so.
Probably about 10:30, 11 o'clock.
Huh?
Probably about 10:30, 11 o'clock. You were sitting over here in your car. It's about, what, 12 something now? 1 o'clock?
It's almost 2 in the morning. How long have you been waiting here?
I've been up here with her the whole time.
What do you mean the whole time?
Since she came to work.
What time did she go to work?
I brought her to work at 10 o'clock. And then my buddy came up here on his bicycle, sat in the car. He rides his bicycle around here all the time. He probably done pulled him over before the light and shit. He says he gets pulled over all the time.
I mean, my concern right now is that you're violating your probation.
How am I violating my probation?
Dude, I have a cold bottle of alcohol.
He was sitting in my car drinking it, bro.
Were your dog sitting?
Yeah.
Okay, so
the
where
dog was in the back.
Where in the back was your dog?
She slipped on my clothes. She lays on my clothes.
Let me open this door real quick. So you mean to tell me that you...
She just climbs up on top of my shit, dude. All these clothes, she just climbs up on top of them and balls up, digs a little hole, just balls up on them.
I'm supposed to believe that? And you're driving around with your dog unsecured in the back like that when it could roll around, all that good stuff?
So far he's drinking while on probation, which I guess is against the terms of his probation. He has an unsecure animal in the car. This just keeps getting worse for this guy. He's definitely going to be taken right to jail. And I'm guessing he's not going to react good to that. And yeah, the Mike's Lemonades, yeah, they do have 8%, which, I mean, they are good in my opinion. Twisted Tea Extremes, which is a recently new drink, they also have 8% of them. 8% alcohol. Which the Twisted Tea Extremes are pretty good, except they're still a little difficult to find often.
I mean, I hook her to the handle.
I don't know if you think I was born yesterday, bro. This is my first time.
You don't think I hooked my dog? You think I'm lied to you about my dog, bro?
Well, you've already lied to me once. You told me that the alcohol was your mom's, and then 2 seconds...
You asked me whose car it is. I said it's my mom's.
You said it's your mom's.
You asked me whose car. It's just my mom's car.
And then 2 seconds later... 2 seconds later, you say it's your buddies.
Bro. Please don't do this. Like, bro,
just step out of the car for me real quick. Any weapons on you?
No.
Stop. Come over here.
You just told me to get out of the car, bro.
I'm just gonna pat you down real quick. What do you do for it, buddy?
Paint. I paint and do landscaping, real estate, like remodeling shit. I work for Continental Realty.
Where are you living at?
My storage unit, to be honest with you. Kind of in between places. I can't find people who do the right thing, dude. I don't want to be around people up, dude. People doing dumb shit. I ain't trying to be on that dumb shit. I've been here my whole life. I've been to prison too many times. Trying to do it. That's why I sit up here and stay away from people.
You're not staying at
39? I can't.
Where's your probation officer? The information on your probation, where is that?
It was 32 Riddle, but I keep her up to date. Matter of fact, I go see her today.
Oh, and what's your friend's name?
Robert.
Robert Sexdorf? Yeah. And you dropped him off at 10 o'clock.
I mean, if you want to call it dropped him off, bro, he was hanging out with me today. And I had to pick her up and take her to work, and he came up here on his bicycle, and he was drinking his little drink.
I'm going to look at your probation status, but I took a quick peek, and one of the special conditions is no alcohol.
I don't drink.
And that's a cold bottle of alcohol that's half drank right there in your vehicle that you're driving. And I drove past here, and I saw you sitting here like 30 minutes ago. I went, I got lunch, I ate, finished the report. Yeah, and I came back, and you're the only one here. All right?
The whole time,
so that leads me to believe that either you're lying to me, or you're the worst luck ever.
Worst luck. Bro, if you look up my history, you're gonna say, "Damn, this dude does got some bad luck."
Just stand by, please.
How old is your dog? 20 weeks. She's a good dog.
She's chill for a puppy.
Bro, she listens, she sits, she shakes, she does everything.
Just hang out against the car for me.
Like, is there a reason why I'm being messed with at the gas pump at my homegirl's work? Like, is there a reason why?
Well, I mean, for now, at least you have open containers in the car.
No, what's the probable cause to pull up on me at the gas pump, bro?
You're in a public place. You can walk up to any car.
Huh?
You can walk up to any car. You're in a public place.
What I'm doing wrong, bro?
I'm not the one that stopped that with you, but I'll just say in general, I mean, you're in a public place, you can walk up to the car if
he sees a violation in plain view, then he has a violation.
Violation of what, bro? I don't drink. Other people ain't allowed to drink around me? Ain't nobody said that I couldn't have...
It's in your possession, you're the only one in the car.
It ain't in my possession, the floorboard of the passenger.
It's a motor vehicle, so I mean, probation set us aside. You're not allowed to have open containers in the motor vehicle.
It's not my vehicle, bro.
You were in it, though.
So what if it's not your vehicle? Who cares if it's your vehicle, your mother's vehicle? Still, either way, you're not allowed to have open containers, in the car. I mean, that's just common sense, dude. It's illegal anywhere to drink and drive. I mean, hell, even on most private property, I'm assuming it's still illegal to drink and drive. Like, his arguments make no sense.
What do you people do with their trash, bro? I'm not gonna tell nobody, hey, bro, I don't give a damn what you do with it.
No one should be drinking it in the car to begin with.
I mean, he's sitting in the car drinking his drink. Dude, what am I telling? I mean, what the dude? Don't drink that drink, dude. You're not allowed to drink in my mom's car, dude. Like, we're not driving around. You're just sitting here, bud. I mean, I don't give a what he drinks, but I didn't even think about it. Why do I care what he drinks, dude? I know what I ain't allowed to drink, what I don't do. I care about the rest of it. I mean, like, come on, bro. Give me a break, man. That's crazy, dude. Give me a hard time about this empty.
I mean, open container in a car, it's a ticket if anything, but...
I'm just saying, dude, come on, man. Like, I ain't had a hard enough life, dude. I ain't giving nobody a hard time doing the right thing in life, man.
Yeah, it's just, I can tell you, not in handcuffs,
For the first time I'm doing right, I gotta get a hard time about a can in my floorboard, dude, in the passenger seat. Somebody else drank. Dude, come on, man. Please, bro.
Are you in handcuffs or anything right now?
Nah, it's just, why give me a hard time, dude? I ain't bothering nobody, man. God damn, dude. I'll grab my phone, bro. Come on, bro. Please give me a break here. Can I get something here? I ain't done nothing wrong. Will you grab my phone from me, bro, please?
Where's that?
Right there on the dash, dude. You're right there on the seat, man.
Chris, come back here. Just chill on the front of my bumper. Chill on the front of my bumper. Chill on the front of my bumper. Yeah, just chill. You're good. Like, step away from your car, I mean. Just chill right there. Yeah, just have a seat right there. Just chill right there.
Why you want me to sit on your bumper, bro?
Because you're kind of being a little antsy, and he had to go in the car for something. So I want
him to get my phone from
Okay, well, I'm asking you to chill right there.
Dude, what's up, man? Why y'all giving me a hard time, dude? Just relax. I can't relax, dude. You know what? Do you know what just happened to me, bro? You know why I went to jail last time?
What happened?
I have trafficking in possession of THC. It was bag bomb window for my dog's nuts, bro. I sat in jail for 4 months, bro. I lost everything, my home, everything, bro. It wasn't, bro. I lost everything, dude, for this same type of fucking with me and me telling them what's going on and them not listening. And the FDLE had to tell him, oh, you know what? He was telling the truth. He was right. Damn, dude. Like, bro, this got me. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the dude? Leave me alone, bro. I'm not bothering anybody. I'm not breaking the law. I'm not doing anything I'm not supposed to be doing. Please leave me alone, bro. I'm right or wrong. Hey, sir. You know what happened to me when I just went to jail the last time?
I overheard you. What with the
and it was bag bomb went there for my dog's nuts. And I told the cops, hey, bro, I don't know what's up with your test kit.
Well, I don't care about that. I'm here for your probation status right now because it seems like you're in. I'm about to read your status. I'm trying to pull it up, but it seems like you're in violation right now. So let me just read this, and
Why would you do that to me, bro?
What do you mean? Me?
Violation of what? I'm not drinking.
It doesn't matter. Let me read your probation status. We'll get.
Dude, you have an open container, a cold open container in the car, and how are you gonna say that you're not drinking? Like, you're busted, dude. Just deal with the consequences.
Get there. I don't know yet. Let me read it.
What do you mean you don't know yet,
Just
bro?
be patient. I haven't read the form yet.
I can't go and drink beers. I can't drink beers at the bar.
Christopher, I need you to be patient while I conduct my investigation.
And, hey, bro, please, bro. Can I use the phone to call my mom? The last time this happened, it f***ed our life up, bro. You're talking about a violation. I ain't violated nothing, man. Please, man.
What's your probation for? Is it in reference to the fentanyl thing? Or?
What? Probation?
Yeah.
No, man. It's a misdemeanor, dude. A misdemeanor assault, dude. Fuck. My son screaming at my mom, making my mom cry, dude. And me and him got an argument and started wrestling before, dude. Got a misdemeanor, bro. Enhanced to a felony and put me on felony probation. Because my son wants to disrespect my mom, dude. My mom said, help me, please. She can't walk, dude. I said, dude, get out of her face. 19.
So you said you dropped your buddy off prior to coming here, right?
And he came up here on his bicycle. He rides his bicycle around here, dude.
So now he rides his bicycle around here.
Bro, why are you doing this, man? Come on, man.
Stop lying.
I'm not lying, bro. The man come up here after...
Dude, calm down. I'm talking to you pretty normally.
I don't like...
Thank you, Wixom, for the $20 PayPal. Thank you very much, Wixom. I do appreciate your generosity and support as always. Maybe I'll use some of that after the stream. Maybe get myself a few twisted teas or something. Thank you, Wixom. I appreciate it.
You're called a liar, bro, and I'm not lying to you.
Then be honest.
Man, I've been up here 5 different times, leaves and comes
Everything
back.
I've said to you is what you've said to me. I've just reiterated it.
I ain't
you understand
you a liar,
that?
bro.
Okay. Well, this is what you told me. You told me that you dropped your buddy off here at his house, and he was riding in your car. Yes, that's what you said. Because you had your dog in the back seat where there's no room. That's what you told me.
He got his bicycle and he came up here, bro, and chilled with me and Jennifer, bro.
Okay. So you did that. You took him here with your dog in the back seat, and he was in the passenger seat, which is what you told me. Yeah. So if that's true, how in Grimm's name did you take your girl here? What? You told me you dropped your girlfriend off here. So how did you do that? You told me you dropped her off at 10 a.m. So why I'm not stupid,
bro, it
dude.
ain't rocket science, man.
So why are you lying?
The man rode up here with us when I picked the girl up to go to work, okay?
He rode up here now.
He came up here. That's when he got his drink. Then I took him to his house, and he left his drink, got on his bicycle, came up here, was sitting over there with me for probably an hour, a little bit less than an hour, then left 2 or 3 different times, and come back, and he's sitting right here. My car was parked back in, right there. She smokes her cigarettes, comes out and sits and smokes her cigarettes in the passenger seat of my car, bro. God's honest truth. There's cameras that will show you that I'm not a liar.
All right, give me a few minutes. What's your girlfriend's name?
She's not my girlfriend, she's my friend. Her name is Jennifer.
Okay.
And hey, sir, can I ask you a question, man?
Yeah.
Am I under arrest?
You're detained.
I'm detained for what?
Possibly violating your probation.
How I violate my probation, man?
You have alcohol.
I don't have alcohol.
He's working on confirming that you didn't have it, right? You didn't just
man,
leave the
that ain't
cuffs
my car. That ain't my alcohol.
Listen.
Ain't bro. Ain't no listen, bro.
He's giving you the benefit, right?
No, ain't nobody giving me the benefit. He ain't got no business bothering me, man. I ain't bothering nobody. You can't do what, bro? This girl works here, bro. That's my friend. I'm not.
Yeah, I think they'll definitely do Rollins versus Cena again at some point down the road. With this new group that Rollins has, it would be a missed opportunity if they don't do it with Cena and Rollins. Or they join forces together and become one big group. Who knows?
Allowed to be up here with her? No, bro, we're not doing that.
Hello, are you Jennifer?
Oh my god, he involved me.
Yeah, he did. He sure did. He name dropped you several times.
Oh my god.
So, how long has he been sitting here?
I have no clue, dude. I don't know.
Did he take you here?
No, not in his car. No. He apparently was on his way to get me because I don't have a transportation. This is just what he said. That I guess he ran out of gas or something on the way. He pulled up and I guess 2 girls picked him up. He did not drive me in that car.
So whose car is that?
I have no clue whose car that is.
So he never picked you up?
Not in that car. He picked me up with 2 other girls.
Okay.
In their car.
Okay.
Not in that car.
So how did you get that one?
I don't know. He left with those girls.
And who's Sexendorf? Is that, you know who that guy is?
No.
He just said that's his buddy who was with you guys the entire time.
I was on my way to work.
Are you aware of his probation status?
He told me that he's on probation.
Alright, so why does he have alcohol in his car?
I don't know anything about that.
It's not yours, right?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm not.
No.
Even if it was yours, you're not in trouble.
I mean, absolutely. No, it has not. Like, I don't know nothing. No, like I said, he picked me up with these 2 girls. They were driving an orange square Honda. Because, like I said, I did ask him for a ride, but he never showed up in that car at all. And then he left with those 2 girls.
Alright.
So what happened? Like, how he got that car? I don't know.
Alright, stand by. Or you're good. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hey, if you don't chill, I'm gonna have to like put you in handcuffs or something.
Bro,
like you're
bro,
just detained right now and you're all over the place.
Bro, you don't understand what I just went through, bro.
Listen
This is
to what I'm
fucking
saying.
giving me
and chill on the bumper. I'm not gonna tell you again.
Please let me use my phone, bro.
Can you chill on the bumper?
Can I use my phone? Please let me use my phone.
Did you hear what I just said?
Yeah, I'll chill on the bumper. Can I use my phone?
No, not right now.
Why do I have to ask you permission to use my phone?
Detained
Bro, please don't touch me, bro. Look, please don't touch me, bro. Please don't touch me, bro. Bro, I'm not doing nothing crazy, bro. Please don't. Please don't, man. You guys are tripping me out.
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained, all right?
Hey, Jennifer. Hey, Jennifer!
She did not, you know, your story did not match what she just said.
Man, do you see her? Do you see what she looks like right now? Come on, man. You tripping, bro.
Tell the chief that you
What are you doing this to me
Just
for,
chill.
dude? Why are you doing this to me, bro? Bro, why are you trying to my whole life up, bro?
This guy, man.
No, I ain't no this guy, dude. I done lost my whole life, dude, to the system. You're harassing me, bro, about a beer can, dude. What the bro? I can't believe this shit, bro.
And of course, here come the waterworks, and let me guess, he's a victim because of everyone else. I mean, because, you know, screw his own poor decision makings. He's the one that decided to, you know, drink, you know, in the driver's seat. But hell, it's everyone else's fault that he chose to do that. At least that would be his logic. Man gets a free ride to the Green Roof Inn after being stupid at Circle K. Yes, indeed, Ace.
just come sit on the headlock.
No, you please leave me alone, bro. Jennifer, hey Jennifer, what the? Yo, bro, why are you trying to ruin my life, man? Bro, can I?
They're not trying to ruin your life, dude. You're responsible for your own actions. Why is it always everyone else's fault when stupid people do stupid things?
Let go of me!
Then do what I told you and sit
Dude,
on the car.
do what I told you. Please let go of me. I ain't going nowhere, man.
What's he tensing up on you?
No, I just
Okay.
can't. Please, bro, leave me alone, man.
Just have a seat on the car. It's off you,
Oh
but you
my
can't
God,
keep pacing.
dude.
Alright?
What the fuck, bro? You guys are terrible, man. You harassing me, dude. Leave me alone, man. You don't see this shit is stressful to me, bro? You're harassing me for a beer can, dude.
I'm sorry to keep pausing it, but just look at the way he's acting right now. I mean, the way he's acting, you would have thought they just told him that he was going to jail for murder or something. Like, he's acting like this is the end of the world, when in reality, if they do take him to jail, which they haven't even said that he's under arrest, he's just being detained at this point, but if they do arrest him and take him to jail, he's probably only going to be in there for a few hours at most. Like, talk about overreacting. Holy crap.
Beer can, bro. You guys are unbelievable, bro. Beer can, dude. What the man? I can tell about what he can do. But I'm sure you can sit there and drink your drink. I don't give a bro. Wait, bro, you think it's funny, bro? This funny, dude. This funny, bro. Why are you smiling?
I ain't smiling.
What the put me in handcuffs for, dude? Because what the wrong with y'all, man? This is dude. This is crazy, bro. I can't even believe this, bro. Please take these cuffs off me, dude. I ain't done nothing wrong, bro.
And at the end of our investigation, if
Man, you talk about an investigation of what? There's real crime going on out there, bro. Not a can in somebody's floorboard, bro. I'm not going nowhere. Calm the down.
You gotta calm down.
Dude,
right? I get this is
ease up,
stressful,
bro.
but you need
Hey,
to stop.
I'm not doing nothing stupid. Ease up, dude. You ain't gotta tackle me, bro.
Your probation?
Please don't.
No, you're going to jail.
Don't send me to jail.
For
dude.
one, for possessing that, and two, I told you to relax and to stop
Man,
so I could put you in handcuffs. And what did you do?
Bro.
You didn't listen to me.
Bro, dude, I fought for my whole life. Please, man, don't do that, man. No, man.
You see,
Please
now you're resisting again.
Yeah, that is. I did forget about the probation violation, so that is true. But still, I mean, he'll probably still get out in a relatively short amount of time. I mean, I doubt he's going to do months or years over this. The jails are just too crowded.
Please don't hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Come over here so I can search you.
Man, I ain't got nothing, bro. Please don't do this to me, dude. What are you doing, dude? You cannot violate
Can you
me, bro.
stop? Can you
No,
stop?
please don't hurt me, man.
God, bro.
Bro.
Yeah.
Man, dude.
BOP case number.
No, ain't no BOP. Dude, I ain't did nothing wrong.
Can you stop?
Bro,
Seriously.
you're about to have to hurt me, bro.
Stop resisting.
No, myself, dude. I'm gonna kill myself. Dude, you're killing my mother, dude. You're gonna my mom, dude. You're gonna make my mom get car towed. Please don't violate me, dude. Violate me, dude.
Is there anything else in the vehicle illegal?
Dude, no, it's not my vehicle. My mom lets me borrow it, dude.
Probation?
Yes, sir. I go to see my probation today, dude. Please don't do this to me, dude.
What are you on federal probation for?
Counterfeit money, bro. Please don't.
This money here isn't counterfeit, right?
No.
So he's on probation for having counterfeit money? Ooh, boy, that could change things a lot, because that's typically one of the bigger crimes. Ooh, boy. Maybe that's why he's acting like this, because he knew he was busted.
Sir, dude. Please don't f my life up, man. Dude, I have worked so hard to get to where I'm at. I've never been this right, dude. Never had my together like this, dude. Please don't take this from me, man. Please don't take me to jail.
We're already at that point, so...
Why? At what point for what a beer can do? Please don't do me like this. Hey, bro, will you tell the girl behind the register to come here, dude? Please, bro. Please, man. Dude, you guys, bro, don't do me like that, man. Please, dude, I'm begging you, dog. I'm a good person, man. It's just a lighter, dude. Please, bro.
Can you face forward?
Dude, let me talk to her so I can tell her about...
Please get in, because you already have a resisting charge.
What? Dude, come on, man. You ain't gonna do me like that, are you?
Yes, I am.
Dude, I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay.
If you put me in this cop car right now, I swear to God, I'm gonna swallow my tongue and kill myself.
You're gonna get Baker acted.
Please, dude, don't.
Put your feet in.
Please, brother.
Can you put your feet in?
Man,
I'm trying to be like a...
Okay, bro, why are you doing this to me, man? Why are you taking my life from me? Please, dude, get your commander here, dude. Get your commander here. I can't, dude, I'll lay... You guys, there's no...
How do you want to go to animal control? That's the two
Dude,
options.
you guys are f***ing my life. Dude, I'm gonna kill myself. I swear to God, I'm gonna f***ing kill myself right here in this back of this cop car, dude. You guys, you please get somebody here with some stripes, bro. Get somebody here with some stripes, bro. Please, right now, dude.
We'll work on that, but in the meantime, do you want animal control or do you have someone that you can call to come get the dog?
Dude, I tried to use my phone and you didn't let me. I knew you guys were gonna play these games, dude. Please get my phone for me so I can take care of this dog situation, bro. Please, that car is my mom.
That's what I was asking you.
Please grab my phone, bro.
Okay.
Please.
This phone.
Where's the phone? Yeah, bro.
Your battery's too...
Please go get Jennifer before I die here, dude.
Do you know what a phone number is for someone we can call?
Dude, please. Please, bro. Dude, they just did me dirty, dude. Please.
I can't do nothing about it, man.
You can't do... Did you tell her? Please, come here!
If she wanted to come here, she would.
Dude!
We will do everything we can to get your dog to a house.
No, please, help me, bro! Help! Dude, help myself! You are... Why did you do me like this, bro?
What's your mom's phone number? Or her name and address? We're gonna try and get the dog to her. Otherwise...
Call Katie, bro. From the dog pound, bro. Oh, why am I going to... I'm going to jail for a beer can, bro! There's no way, dude! I don't even shake! Dude, this, bro. Hey, sweetheart, help me. Hey, sweetheart, please.
Worry about your dog for now.
Sweetheart, please tell Jim. God damn it.
All right, we're gonna have to take him to the pound then. I mean,
bro, my mom lives a block away.
Well, give me the information then.
Christopher, if you do not stop screaming, you're gonna get a disorderly charge. Dude, stop screaming and be an adult and sit there. And
you're taking me to jail for nothing,
He's
bro.
He's trying to help you so we can get your dog out of here, and you're screaming like a child.
Why would you have to take me to get my dog out of here? I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. Please help me, bro. Where's the Finn? You're not Finn.
Why do you have a cord tied around the dog's neck? Cute, I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna say, it's not real. She has an iPhone cord tied around her for a leash.
Please call medical. I need medical attention, bro. My chest hurts, bro.
So that's probably going to be an animal abuse charge. Like, holy crap, dude. This guy belongs in jail. I mean, his emotions are also all over the place. Like, This is not. I mean, he did all of this to himself. I mean, he drank knowing that he was on probation, and one of the terms of his probation was to not drink alcohol. And even if it wasn't, still driving around with an open container, and having an open container in the driver's seat, that's still a crime.
Talking to a commander right now. No commander's coming to talk to you at 2 o'clock in the morning.
This is gonna violate my federal probation. I'm about to be stuck in the fucking system for 6 months, bro. At the minimum. Please, dude. I'm begging you, bro. I'll shut up. I'll do 20,000 push. I'll do whatever you want. Please just help me, bro.
Okay. Can you listen to what I have to say now, please? Alright? I came up to a suspicious vehicle. Alright? I'm talking to you. Everything is cool. I see in plain view an open container of alcohol, which your probation specifically says for you not to have.
Not to consume.
Not to have. Alright? Not only that, you're the only person in this vehicle, right? And the alcohol is cold, leading to me that it was recently refrigerated and it's half empty. You're the only one in this car. And you try to tell me some fabrication.
Please don't tow my car. Dude, that's my mom's car, dude. Please.
Can you listen? I'm trying to tell you what I have right now. All right, you're telling me some fabricated story. I go in there to verify your story, and she doesn't. Everything she says that you said is not true.
Hey, bro, check this out. Between me and you, so I don't know if you're thinking of me. Do you see that girl? She's my friend. I love her. She has one flaw. She does the. She's in there looking crazy, bro. It's up. It's my friend. I love her. I hate that she does that.
Okay.
I've been begging her, dude. Please.
Well, I'll get her some help if she needs it.
She's not gonna admit it to you, bro. That's why I sit up
Hey,
here.
look who's here, the ambulance.
I know, dude.
Is he trying to tell? First off, is he trying to blame all of this on the lady that we saw in the store? Is basically what he's saying is that that alcohol was hers, which makes no sense. And he keeps saying, I'll do 20,000 push-ups. I'll do this. I'll do that. Like, dude, you're going to jail. Like, this isn't a negotiation. Oh man, talk about I mean, just stupidity on his part. Thank you, Sally Port, for the $10 super chat for being the best bro and dude. LOL. Thank you very much, Sally. I do appreciate that very much.
The reason I sit up here with her because I want to make sure she's okay. She's in the bathroom all the time. She's tripping, dude. She needs Narcan every once in a while. She tells me she has herself and shit. I just be worried about the girl, bro. Hey, listen, bro. Man, dude. God damn it, bro. I understand you doing what you gotta do.
Yeah, so.
Will you please
And while I'm trying to verify all your information, I tell you to calm down several times, and you don't. You don't do that. So I try to put you in handcuffs just so you can chill. And what do? You pull away from me.
Do you realize
That's resisting. And I try to put you in my car.
No,
you continue to resist.
No, I'm not pulling.
You scream at every single patron that comes here. That's disorderly. That's 3 charges. This is all on you.
I'm a
He's complaining of chest pain. If y'all could just. Huh? Oh, okay. All right. Appreciate it. So we can get this over with.
Nah, we ain't doing none of that.
Dude, we're here at the hospital because you want to be here.
I know because I got chest pains because you arrested me for a beer can.
Yes.
And you ruined my life, bro. No, I'm not cooperating.
Can you get y'all security, please? Not nothing to do with me. Can you make this an easy process? Okay, so why, dude? If you don't want to be seen by a doctor,
Yeah, I want to be seen, bro.
Okay, so if you.
So he demanded to go to the hospital for chest pains. I think it's more incarceritis, if anything. But he's claiming he has chest pains. Now he's refusing to get out of the car to go see, the doctor. Honestly, just say that he refused medical treatment and just take him to jail. And he says he's trying not to be a dick, right? Well, of course he isn't trying. It just comes naturally to him. It's all an effort to waste more time and resources. And here's the thing, dude. Going to the hospital is not a get out of jail free card. I really don't know why these criminals think that, because that's probably what's going through his mind. or something.
Probably paying, bro. They f***ed me over the last time I was here. Discharged me. Up. Whatever.
Well,
to earn their paycheck today, they gotta pick me up, put me on the thing, dude. I'm in pain.
oh my gosh.
What? You want not want me to do that?
I would like you to be an adult so we can move on. That's what I.
Can you spare me, bro? Somewhere, dude. Please, man.
I'm trying to do that, but you're making everything hard for me.
Bro, I just want to go home with my puppy.
If you want to be seen by a doctor,
yeah, bro,
please stand up and put yourself in this wheelchair so they can get you in a room, get you in a bed, and we can chill from there.
Can you do something for me, bro, besides ruining my life, man? Please.
Put your feet up. Right there. Left foot.
While at the hospital, refused to leave the hospital upon discharge, throwing himself to the floor in a wheelchair and obstructing hospital staff. Deputies had to forcibly remove him from the building.
Stand up, bro. Now, bro, what the f are you doing, bro? Bro, y'all got shit on camera? Y'all, bro, you gonna make me take it? You gonna make me get your job, dog?
Yeah, okay, dude. Okay, bro. You're not gonna have anybody's job because you're gonna be going to prison at this rate probably for a couple of years at least. Oh man, and if you want to act like a little toddler, you're gonna get treated like one. Throwing yourself onto the ground like it's like a kid at the toy store who can't get what they want, throwing themselves on the ground and acting just ridiculous. Oh man.
Bro, you don't know I'm lawyered up, bro? You're tripping, bro. Why are you doing me like this, bro? I just want to take.
Okay, if you had all these lawyers, bro, if you had all these lawyers, then why are you so worried about going to jail? After all, your lawyers can get you into trouble, right, bro?
The piss, bro. Bro, don't touch me, bro.
Then stand up.
Don't touch me. You are assaulting me. You are me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Please. Hey, ma'am. Yo, please don't let this man drag my skin off me on the ground no more.
Stop tensing up.
Bro, please stop me, dog. Please.
All I'm doing is.
All I need to do is use the bathroom. I'll do whatever you ask me to do. You are depriving a human being from using the bathroom.
You've wasted enough of my time.
Wasting time, bro. You're dragging the skin off me on the concrete.
Then
you are
stand up.
Bro, please.
Hey, look at you. You're tensing up right now.
I'm not tensing up, man. You're me.
Then stand up. Your
Bro,
legs work just fine.
My legs work fine. My body works okay. I have to use the bathroom, brother. Can I please?
Can
I please just use the bathroom, bro? If I roll over and on the ground, will I catch another charge?
What? You already got another charge.
For having to use the bathroom?
I had to drag this dude 15 feet outside the freaking hospital.
Hey. Yes, sir. I'll get up and do whatever you ask me to do. All I want to do is that little jug that lady went and got from me, dude. I've been having to use the bathroom.
You've been discharged?
They're not going to bring you back in.
No, I just want to use the little jug the lady.
You can piss in jail, bud. You're going to get in that car. That's what you're going to do, and you're going to listen. That's what's going to happen. All right? We either do this the hard way or the easy way. The easy way is you get in there and you listen.
You got 2 more resistant charges, so it's on.
I got. Oh, please don't hurt me, dude. Just please don't hurt me.
Your hand behind your back, underneath your butt.
Okay, let me put it back here, like how it was. Dude, please, dude.
I'm trying to help you.
Bro, I'm not trying to help you.
Listen to this.
Yes, sir, dude. They been over here hurting me, bro.
Okay.
On camera, bro. Dragging me.
The hard way. You're going to listen?
Put your hand behind your back.
Why are you going to squeeze my fingers, dude? I'll get up, dude. What do you want me to do?
I'm trying to get your hand behind your back.
Oh, well, dude, here.
Because you have it.
There.
Perfect.
All right,
roll up to your left.
All right, check this out.
All right. Now I got to get in here.
You guys don't have
You can take a jail.
Yeah,
It's that easy.
Bro, I have to so bad. I didn't want to in this car. Ow, bro.
In the car and
You
make
just
sure
poked me in
everything's
my
up.
eye, dog.
Your eye, okay, I didn't try to poke you.
You just poked me in my eye.
All right, let's see. Watch your head.
Damn, dude, you just poked my brain in the eye, dude. I'm not.
Get in the vehicle.
Dude, I'm in.
You all in?
Is that all his property? That's everything, right?
Damn, dog. You don't. No, what?
All right, man. We're going to get on yonder.
Hey everyone, it's Trent, prior Deputy Sheriff, Patrol Sergeant, and Canine Handler.
Oh man, that was insane. Like, and let's see what his charges are. Let's skip here to the end.
Violation of probation, charged with
interaction when you're working the streets as a cop. And that's going to be it for this one. See you guys in the next one.
He was charged with resisting an officer without violence, disorderly conduct, violation of probation, and open container violation.
Boy, way to escalate that into multiple unnecessary charges, dude. Man. People are their own worst enemy, I swear. That has to be the case. And no matter how many times you yell bro and dude, that's not going to change the situation. Oh, man. So our next video was suggested on Discord this morning, I believe. PJC suggested this one, I think. And
Is there a reason why you could?
it's titled, Angry DoorDash Driver Finds Out He's Not Above the Law.
Getting in and out of traffic like that?
I got something to do.
Get out. No, get out.
No.
Get out.
No. Close my door.
Get out.
You open
Get out.
Duh, bro. I'm calling my lawyer and he's on your ass, bro.
I didn't see the officer poke him in the eye. I think he's probably faking. Mark far more bro in my DoorDash video. Oh boy.
Oh, he's on your ass, bro.
On October 12th, 2023, police conducted a traffic stop on an entitled DoorDasher recklessly cutting in and out of traffic on the highway.
Hey, grab the steering wheel. Grab the steering wheel. Sheriff's Office Deputy Tahad, is there a reason why you're cutting in and out of traffic like that?
I got something to do.
Okay, well now I'm gonna need your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance. You're now going, that's gonna have to wait now.
I'm just saying, I gotta deliver.
Sir, I'm asking you for your driver's license, registration, proof of
Obviously,
insurance.
that's what I was looking for. Why do you think I was doing
Sir,
it?
then continue to do that, please.
You know what? I can't find it.
Well, that's a problem.
That's your problem. Go write it up. Go do something then. By the time you come back, I'll have it. Bye. Bye.
Ah, yes, because your window is a magical force field that will prevent the officers from entering. Oh boy.
3-1, he's refusing to lower the window. This is a rental vehicle, so I cannot identify him. I don't need traffic for now. I'm holding for my 94 on 10-4. Get out! No! Get out!
No.
Get out!
Bro, close my door.
Get out!
You open
Get out! Get out!
Bro,
Get out!
bro,
Get out!
you just,
Get out!
bro, I'm talking, bro, stop. Stop, bro, stop, bro, stop. Bro, stop.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
I didn't
Hands behind your back!
do anything.
Hands behind your back!
Bro, I'm
You're
over here
under
looking
arrest.
for my... Oh my God,
Got it.
sir, excuse me, bro, I'm not restraining. I'm not restraining.
You're under arrest now.
I'm not restraining. Bro, chill. Bro.
Don't move.
Oh my God.
Don't
that's
move.
fucked up.
Don't move.
I'm good. Bro, stop. Bro.
Turn over.
Bro.
Turn over.
Turn over. Can you ask? Hold on, bro.
Turn over.
Bro, I'm like, come on, can I do this?
No.
All right.
Stay like that.
Well, he's probably not going to be a DoorDash driver anymore, or for that matter, an Uber Eats driver either. They typically frown upon having drivers, with records.
anything. I'm looking for my wife.
You're under arrest.
Why?
Obstruction, resisting.
I wasn't trying to resist him. I was.
Turn around.
Oh my gosh, bro. I'm not like, bro.
Turn around.
Can we talk about this?
No.
All right. Damn.
Lay down.
I'm done. I'm done, bro. I'm done.
You are done.
Damn, bro. This is not. I have nothing. I'm actually just trying to deliver an order.
Listen,
bro.
I'm gonna check your pockets.
Bro, you can go ahead, bro. I have nothing. Dang, bro. I'm literally looking for my wallet, bro. This is sad, bro. Wow.
I'm gonna ask you to get out.
You didn't ask me to get out. You just kept knocking on my window.
I'm gonna ask you to get up, and you're gonna go to the back of my vehicle. Ready?
All right. Bro, can you
sit
get
down,
my phone, bro?
Sit down.
Damn, that's some dirty ass shit, bro.
Stand up.
Damn, that's some dirty ass shit. Can I get my phone, dog? Damn, oh my gosh, oh my god. Thank you, Mr. Fritz. I'm calling Mr. Fritz. Yo,
have a seat.
Hey, Irish couple, welcome in.
I can't fit in here, bro.
Too bad.
All right.
I have reckless. He pulls over here. It's a rental. I ask him for identification. He just like blah, 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 blah. He laughs, puts the window up. So he puts the window up. Once Benjamino gets here, I open up the door because he won't talk to me. He yanks it back. I yank it towards me. Out he goes.
Did we run him at all?
No, it's a rental.
No,
he didn't. No, not yet.
Okay, because he sound like he maybe a 20 or something. And,
he's laughing at me. I don't know what he's looking for, but I'll find out. I'm gonna see if I find the wallet.
Bro, I can't breathe. Excuse me. Excuse me. Bro, I can't breathe in here. I can't breathe in here, bro. I can't breathe in here. I'm being honest with you. I can't breathe. I can't right now, bro. I can't, bro. Stop screaming. I can't. Oh!
For someone who allegedly can't breathe, he seems to be yelling just fine.
Oh, I'm gonna tell on your ass. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh shit, this how I'm finna get rich. Oh shit, this how I'm finna get rich. Bro, this nigga just pushed me, bro. That's so disrespectful, bro. These niggas just threw me on the floor, bro. This is why God don't like ugly, bro. Hey, damn, bro. It wasn't like I was trying to sit here and be an asshole. I'm like, bro, could you give me a second, bro? I'm actually trying to find my shit. I'm really actually over here frantic about my life. Got this ticket and shit like that. I'm like, bro, chill, bro. It's not that deep. You over here want to be a dickhead? I'm like, bro, do you see how much traffic it is out here? I am very frustrated, just like you are. Bro, can you give me some time, bro? But it's like, no, you the only person who can have a attitude. You the only person who can have a goddamn energy like that, bro. Y'all f***ed up, bro. I'm calling my lawyer and he's on y'all ass, bro. He's on y'all ass,
yeah,
bro.
it's typically
he's on y'all ass,
all
bro.
BS
Y'all did the right
when they
thing,
say
bro.
that.
Y'all did the right thing, and I'm picking up all y'all cameras because I didn't do nothing, bro. On that camera, you see me looking for my shit, man. And I said, talk to me. Let me know what you need. You did not say a thing. You proceeded to pull me out of the car and jack me out of that shit, man. That's f***ed up, dog. You f***ed up, man. Just because you mad, don't bring that shit on me, but God gonna kill your ass in the right way, you little nigga. That's why I'm gonna f*** your daughter when I get out too. And I'm gonna f*** your wife, you bitch ass nigga. All y'all probably swinging, I'm gonna catch y'all ass out that motherfucker too. And I'm gonna thumb through her shit and I'm gonna rape your daughter, you bitch. I gotta.
What a lovely, kind, caring individual. Boy, the maturity of a freaking teenager.
$1 million case on y'all niggas now. I got $1 million case on y'all niggas now.
Should have seen that one coming, guys. He's gonna sue. Good luck with that, dude. Good luck. Let us, we always hear about how they're gonna sue the officers, but we have never, ever seen the results of any of these lawsuits. Geez, I wonder why.
Woo! I'm over here trying to deliver food, my nigga. Y'all slammed me on the damn floor, and I'm like, bro, can you just chill, relax, man? Just relax, man. I got you. I'll do it. But you over here going through my shit, looking through my shit, trying to make it seem like I done did something. I did nothing wrong. You didn't even allow me enough time to search for my things. And then you proceeded to open up my door without me even offering it. You opened up my own door and pulled me out that shit, bro. Oh, y'all going to, all y'all niggas going. All y'all niggas going, opening up my door too. Talking about I'm resisting arrest. I'm not resisting arrest. I'm closing my door because I'm in my vehicle. And I'm trying to look for my things so that I could give you the proper instructions so that you could go ahead and do what you need to do. And if you need to search, if you need to do this, then do it. But there's nothing that I'm hiding. Boy. He just mad just because he lost. He know he lost and he extra lost. Because you crashed out. You just crashed out. You just crashed out. You just crashed out. You just.
I'm sure they do, PJC. I'm sure YouTube always deletes the footage of them winning their lawsuits. Oh man, this guy is just a complete clown, in my opinion.
Out! Dumbass boy!
And you know what? Let me ask you guys a question in chat, right? So, this guy is apparently a DoorDash driver. Would you feel safe with someone like this, yelling and screaming and just acting completely belligerent, knowing your address, and would you trust them to bring you your order of food or whatever? I mean, in my opinion, personally, I would never trust this guy in a million years, just based off what we're watching.
You just crashed out! Yeah! You just crashed out! Dumbass boy!
Are you refusing to identify yourself still? That's fine, then I'll book you into jail on the John Doe.
If you need me to give you my identity, I will give it to you. I have not had enough time to give you my things and actually do these things. You are acting as a child right now, and I'm trying to be an adult with you. I don't care about what you got going on. I already got a lawyer, and I already got a case. It's already over for you niggas, bro. So, bro, just leave me alone, bro. Get what you need, bro. You can do whatever you want. Just tell me what you need, and I'll give it to you. And you can suck a dick, too, you because I can tell you that, you take it in the ass. What do you want, my social security number? Yes, please. No, you're not getting that. I'm gonna be honest with you. You a ass nigga, bro. You know that you the law. You know what you just did, bro. You have, I'm gonna be honest with you. As a person who's frustrated, bro, I was just frustrated. I'm trying to get through traffic. Bro, you are the law, man. To take me down like that, knowing that I really wasn't resisting you, bro, when I'm just like, bro, I'm over here we playing this game of hey, who could be the pettiest? And then you want to take it there? I'm like, bro, I see how you play, bro. You're a loser. That's why you're a police officer, because you're a loser. Damn, bro. And I'm just like, bro, I'm going to give you what you need so that you can win. You already won. But it's you want to sit over here and take me down and do all this other shit. And I'm like, bro, and then your man shoved me and shit. And I'm like, bro, I can't breathe. Bro, I swear to God, oh my gosh, I can't wait till I talk to my lawyer, bro. Kevin is going to have a field day with this shit, bro. We about to get buku rich. We about to get buku rich, bro. Because you know you up. Ain't shit in that damn car, ain't shit on my name, ain't shit going on besides resisting arrest. How? How in the hell can a young man who's over here doing this goddamn job and actually was trying to find his shit looking for it? Come on, bro. You a f***up ass nigga for that, bro. You a f***up ass nigga for that, bro. I pray to heaven on God. I pray that he loses his life. I pray that his daughters go through hell. I pray that his wife never sees a happy day in her life. I pray this. I pray this with all my heart. I pray this with the greatest prayer that I've ever had in my life, that this man sees the true turmoil and the true plight and the true nature that he's truly given to me today. I pray on all of the prayers on God on earth. I pray that he truly sees that today was the last day that he could do such things and said things.
Boy, it's always, in all of these, and pretty much almost all these videos that we watch, they always blame everyone else for their poor decisions. They can never take self accountability or responsibility for their stupidity.
And I pray the Lord, I pray to my God and my only God, and I pray that he truly sees that his ways were truly wrong in this situation. I was not perfectly right, but he was totally wrong in that situation. I'm not your fucking pen pal, ain't your fucking helper no more. Earlier I was trying to help your little bitch ass nigga. Now I'm finna give your ass the hardest time, nigga. Get that shit out the mud, nigga. Dumbass nigga. Yeah, cause you know I'm annoying your little bitch ass and you can't do shit. You wanna whoop my ass, just like how you tried to wrestle me to the floor. You soft as hell. Cause bro, I'm gonna be for real with you, bro. My life is over now. I'm a homeless man who is just working on Uber and DoorDash, bro. Who the you think gonna care about me besides my boss? Then knowing niggas like you ain't gonna let me get my phone and that.
I guarantee you, he's not gonna be working for Uber and DoorDash anymore. Cause first of all, if someone sends them this video, they'll definitely, deactivate his account. And from my understanding, DoorDash and Uber Eats, they both do regular background checks on their drivers. And once this comes up in his records, I'm pretty sure that they'll probably deactivate his account.
To call my people, I ain't gonna have no resources until I get out. By the time I get out, there's nothing gonna be here for me. I'm gonna myself when I'm in there. So, sir, when you don't see me again, when you never see me on this road, know that it was you. And God is gonna let you allow you to have that time, bro. But guess what, bro? The decisions that you make and the shit that you do does have consequences on the other side. Just know that shit, bro. And I've been giving up, and I'm giving up right now, bro. So you, this life, all this shit, bro. I'm killing myself. You, so they can take me into that motherfucker and put me in goddamn solitary and all of that shit. Cause that's what I'm going to do. Either way, y'all.
All right, step out for me, please.
How to fucking understand how to fucking instruct people, bro. Let me be peaceful, dog. Cause both of y'all niggas up about this shit, bro. Obviously, I got some motherfucking sense. Obviously, I got some motherfucking goddamn manners and shit like that. Maybe if you give a person manners, then maybe they'll have it. I want to see you. And maybe if you have a heart and a mind and a thought that's before you think some shit, then you might motherfucking have the mindset before you goddamn do some shit. Y'all motherfuckers is the goddamn leader of the instructions, but don't even know how to instruct the motherfucker how to do some shit, man. Y'all tell the motherfucker to do some shit with force, and then be happy when the motherfucker is docile and cool. It's like, nah, bro, your job is to deal with the hard shit, bro. Sorry, that's what you signed up for, my nigga. Then gonna talk about, thank you, man. Get the f out of here, bro. You better be lucky I'm just ready to give up, my nigga. I'm done. He over here, he still want to fight. He still want to live. I'm about to go. Nigga, y'all already know what the f about to do. This shit over with. He already know if he ain't tell y'all. Yeah. Another black man gone. Another black man about to goddamn go see heaven.
I mean, all he's doing now with all of these comments is he's just gonna get himself Baker acted, which is just gonna prolong how long he's gonna be in jail for. And no, Ryan, the answer to that is no. He has not stopped talking once since this incident began. If we did have a bro counter, the bro counter would be broken by now, for sure.
I'm about to go see them iron pearly gates. So leave me the f alone, shut the f up, and goddamn mind y'all motherfucking business. Just do your screening, man. God bless you and have a good day, man.
No.
And we just two people out here? Somebody just pulled up again. Oh, I have to.
And he was charged with resisting arrest and reckless driving. Boy. Like, I'll never understand why people think that acting like that would help their situation. It's just ridiculous. Our next video is
On September 20th, 2022.
when you punch a stranger on the plane and already have warrants. So we're dealing with a genius here, ladies and gentlemen.
Police were notified of an intoxicated passenger on an incoming flight. The man allegedly got into an altercation with another passenger and struck him on the side of the face.
Yeah, I just wanted to build a plane, but that's fine. No, wait for a second. Okay, he was drunk. Big time.
Trying to figure it out.
He wants more than get up there and then have my bag. Got the bag. What am I doing? Away bag. Yeah. Okay, you want that plane? Walking about alcohol. You guys are the ones around me. No, you're good. Just walk. You're fine. Ain't nobody in front of you. Okay, everyone walk straight.
Well, Spirit Airlines is the Walmart of airlines. What do you expect?
Slow down, buddy. Slow down. Don't you have to run? You see this person in front of me, right? Hey, listen. Relax. Shut up. All right, slow down. Chill out. You guys act like it's a movie or something. Look right here. Right here. Just pull off right here. You have your boarding pass, sir? This okay. You have your boarding pass? Your boarding pass. My boarding? Yes. Or your ID? Yes. This is where I'm from. This is my boarding pass. Which is right there. So your ID. It says boarding pass or ID. Whatever you got. This is my phone. Boarding pass or ID.
You have a driver's license? If you do, can I see it?
My driver's license? No, I do not have a driver's license.
Do you have any type of ID?
Yes, it's right there.
Okay, can I see it?
You're really terrifying right now. Yeah, I think so.
What happened on the boat, sir?
On the boat?
On board, what happened?
What happened on board? Yeah. Someone was an asshole to me. Acting like I didn't like I deserved not to be there. That's what happened.
And what was the reaction? Did you get him?
The reaction I got?
Yeah, did you hit him?
Did I hit him? No.
Let me have your ID, sir.
I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Benjamin.
Benjamin, can you do me a favor? Go inside your bag and grab your ID.
This is for my girlfriend's kids.
Okay.
Because one of them is they like the pink and they like the blue. And that is it.
Where's your purse? Where's your wallet? What's the piece of paper in there?
It's nothing, man. It's literally just a piece of paper.
What's the other one?
This? It's literally wireless headphones.
Where's your ID?
Do you have a wallet on you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you take that out? Alright, can you open that up?
And it's and I work.
Can I see this ID?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So that's what we asked you if you had an ID card or a driver's license.
I work on boats. I'm a captain. Well, I'm not a captain. I'm training to be a captain.
Is this your final destination? Excuse me?
Where's your final destination? Where are you going?
St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands.
St. Croix. So you won't be able to go to St. Croix today, okay?
I won't be able to?
We're gonna refund you for that segment.
Why?
I don't think you're fit to travel today. They were not supposed to let you on that plane coming today. You were supposed to stay in the islands.
Why though?
So we're asking you a basic question. Your wallet is on you, you don't know where it is, you can't find your ID.
No, you're making stories.
I'm not making up stories, sir.
Yeah, you are.
Well, we're gonna refund you for that second, okay? Give me a second.
Okay, sure. I mean, I'd like to just go home.
So we're done here in a few minutes. Okay, there's a problem on it. I can ask you a question and answer it. So, I mean, you couldn't even give us the basics. You couldn't even give us your ID.
I gave you my ID. That's why you have it right now.
After we asked you to take the wallet out, we asked you that.
Oh, no, I gave that to you a long time ago.
Yeah, see right there?
I got it
That's
on my
probably
phone.
why
I
you
got that video.
why you got it. That's kind of.
It just doesn't make any sense because you guys are just trying to make up stories.
Sir, we're not making up stories. Just so you know.
Well, it's all my phone right there. So, I know. Same thing. Same thing with your card, yeah. It's the same exact thing. Random things that you guys are just...
I guarantee you don't stand and board.
Oh, well, I can go home right now, or you can just make up a bunch of shit. And you're making up a bunch of shit. Good job. Yep. And you have a really keen sense of fucking eyesight, making up a bunch of shit. Look at this. Put this in a bag. Hey, buddy, you want to go home and have a good time? That's fine. Do you want to be a fucking piece of shit? Make sure that you look like a piece of shit, and then make you look like a piece of shit? You can do that. And that's what you're doing right now.
I mean, at the very least, at this point, they could arrest him for being, for disorderly conduct. I mean, the way he's acting and, talking, wouldn't doubt if he's wasted as well.
So these two ladies were like right by it. They said nothing physical happened. He was just being like really like obnoxious, pointing at people.
We changed that and it was an explosion, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm so sorry, Dick. I would think so.
Or under the influence.
Yeah, profanities, very rude to the staff, using his middle finger a lot. And every time they
was jumping around the seat from one seat to the other.
Yes.
Right at the beginning, it was one seat, then move back and move, jumping around.
Okay. Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you for coming aboard.
I was on a cockpit break. The captains were in the bathroom. I couldn't get back there, so the girl in the back ran up, separated them, put the one drunk guy up closer, like up to 8C, and this guy, I went back and talked to him. Actually, this guy's the one I put in 8C. I went back to talk to him. I'm like, what happened? And he's like, this guy was getting into it out in the gate area. People around him said, yeah, you can obviously tell something's wrong with him. I mean, he reeks of alcohol, but I don't know if there's something else on board.
It had some kind of stuff in it that...
From a beer.
10:15. Do me a favor, put yourself down. Put yourself down on the ground. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Alright.
So, they know what's going on?
Yeah, you're being arrested right now.
For what?
We'll let you know in a second. When I know, you'll know. Okay?
Is it a bad thing?
Well, getting arrested is usually not a good thing.
I mean, for what?
In your perspective. Alright. Just walk with him. Let's go.
Platform 73, 36 Intoxicated.
crazy reason for being arrested?
No, the officer decided that you're under arrest. He's gonna come over here and let you know in a second.
So is there a reason that you guys dragged me out here for?
Yeah, your behavior on the airplane, that's the reason. Only you know that. I wasn't on the plane.
My behavior on the airplane?
Yes. I wasn't on the plane with you, so I'm like, okay?
You listen to yourself sometimes?
I listen to myself all the time.
Yeah. Listen to yourself. I hear you. I don't want to be out here. But you said it. Listen to yourself. Why'd you bring me out here? You know why?
I already told you.
Why?
Because you're getting arrested.
For what?
The arresting officer's gonna come over
For
here
what?
and let you know.
Exactly. So you brought me out here for what reason? Exactly.
He definitely deserves to go to jail, if he punched someone in the face. And the fact that he's just completely hammered inside an airport.
Brought me out here for what reason? To show me around all these people? So what was the reason? You know the reason? Tell me. Tell me the reason. You don't know the reason, right? You just think you do.
He's going to get arrested on other charges.
Okay.
Do you still want to press charges? Kind of what that involves is you guys are going to have to come back here.
I have to go back to court if I do it, right?
Go to court and deal with the state attorney, and you'd be the victim, so it'd be all dependent on you. And it's a little bit of a process. I don't know if you're willing to go with that.
The way I feel is like if I don't do anything, they get away with behavior like this. You know what I mean? But
he's getting something.
Oh, okay. Well, you think I should just let it go?
I can't tell you one way or the other. I'm just telling you what the process is and whether you'd be willing to go through that.
Right, you got to go through everything. Right.
Could be a year, 2 years. Depends on how quick it goes through the systems. I know he's got other stuff that I'm getting ready to take him for out of two other counties, two different other locations. So he's going to be tied up for a while.
Okay. That's a federal charge too, isn't it? Right, for what he did.
We're working on that right now.
Okay.
That's out of my realm as far as federal.
Okay. I don't know.
He's not getting away with anything, so he's definitely not flying today. So his trip that he was on is ended here. So
amazed, even let him on the plane, and they serve up on top of it. They can smell the alcohol. It pisses me off. But yes, I don't want to blame Spirit for it, but
well, they do need to be more aware of that.
Exactly, because cause all this trouble.
And I'll mention that to the supervisors there.
That's the guy, right? That's the jacket, right?
There's a couple different ones. Probably
glasses. Okay, yeah. I want to talk to him before that. No, yeah, it's all right. And you're right. I have to come back here and all that kind of stuff. I wanted to do it at the beginning. Believe me, I did. But if he's going to jail anyway, to hell with him.
Let me put you in touch with the supervisor.
Okay.
We thank you for your attention to this important issue.
Did you guys grab my bags? You got my bags? All right. All right. So you guys know the conduct of what is it called? So they can only take me for one warrant. The other warrant is in another county, and they can't take me on that. Yeah, so it should only stand for one night.
So one?
Yeah, I'd like to. Yeah.
And that county picks you up?
That county, it's literally for driving without a license.
Okay, listen. Tell me how it works, okay?
No, I'd like to listen.
Once you take care of that warrant.
Yeah, I don't blame the guy either for not pressing charges. Obviously not from there, wherever this is. And that would just mean having to keep flying back there. And for a fact that, if he pleads not guilty, it's just going to get tied up in the courts for probably a year or two. It just not worth it to keep going back there for this, especially if he has warrants out of different places and counties anyway. It's like the officer said, he's going to be probably tied up in the legal system for a while anyway.
It's for driving without a license.
Then they'll address
Driving without a license.
and they will address the next one.
And the other ones, what's it? It's literally driving without a license again. It's not a fucking big thing. It's driving without a license twice.
Sounds like you got nothing to worry about.
Exactly. So I'd like to listen to all of you.
I look forward to seeing more.
Jesus. Can I listen to you?
Look forward to seeing more.
Dude, can you stop? Can you guys stop acting like I'm some crazy criminal?
You're not.
So stop acting like it. Listen, dude.
Listen, look forward. I don't want you to bump into anybody.
See, the thing is that I need to... Dude, I need you to stop acting like you guys are dragging some horrible criminal through the streets.
We're not, bro. We're just trying to get you outside.
Dude. Oh my god. You know, the thing...
Keep making this more difficult, okay?
Dude. Alright. So can you guys stop being like crazy?
Just walk.
Just keep walking straight.
I'm walking with you guys.
Yeah. Quit bouncing around, look straight ahead.
So I would like to listen to what I'm fucking being taught to.
I'm going to explain it to you.
Sir, I'm not trying to be a
There's warrants.
Okay, so can you guys talk to me?
Yep. You get downstairs. We got plenty of time.
Yeah, but you're being an asshole.
Okay.
You're being a total fucking douchebag. Is what you're being. Like, do you not realize that?
Okay.
Are you getting offended because I'm using the word douchebag?
No.
I don't want that to be a thing. I'd like to talk to you like a normal human being.
Like I said, downstairs.
So are we going downstairs there?
You want escalator or elevator?
I'd like to talk to both of you regular people. Oh my goodness. I don't want things to be difficult. I would like to go home and I'd like to talk to you guys regularly. I don't want things to be crazy. I feel like you guys are... I know I'm terrified, man. You guys scare me. Look at yourself. Are you terrified? You just ripped up on me and said, why are you terrified? Am I jumping? You think I'm gonna go somewhere?
I'm going to make sure you don't.
Are you crazy? Are you listening to him? I said, I'm scared of you. You gripped up on me, put me in a corner, and said,
Face the wall.
are you serious, bro?
Serious.
I don't want... The last thing I want to do is retaliate on either of you. I would like to figure out where I stand.
I'm going to explain it to you in just a second.
Right now you're standing in an elevator.
I want to go home, man. I do not like you guys. I want to go home. I hate this. I hate you guys. I want to go home. You guys are the worst. I want to go home. I want to go home. I want to go home. I just want to go home. Dude, stop the waterworks. Really? Oh, man. Miss you. Please, I promise you guys, you'll never see me again. I promise you. guys.
I agree with him.
My mom's right there. She's gonna come. I got David Huffman and my mom. She'll meet us right here. I promise you guys. Can I just please? It's nothing.
Did you urinate yourself?
No, sir.
Why are your pants all wet?
Oh, I was scared of you guys, so I possibly did. I would like to just go home. I have to work in 1 week. I have to be back at the boat. Can you guys please not ruin my life, man?
And they always blame the cops for ruining their life, and of course, never take any responsibility for their own stupidity.
I can promise you, sir. I can promise you that I can promise you that I will have, I can promise you on the dot that my job will be reprimanded. Can I please promise you that I will take this, can I please take this job? Are falling down.
Hang on. Hold on.
How do you take that bracelet off?
You just pull it off. Sorry.
Alright, go ahead, take a seat. Take a seat. Take a seat, go ahead.
Excuse me. Can I talk to you guys?
Sit back. Yeah, a second. Kick your feet in, go ahead.
I'm not trying. I haven't done anything.
The man was arrested for 2 warrants. While being transported, he spit on one of the officers and was subsequently charged with battery on a Leo. For that charge, he was sentenced to 1 day in jail, time served, 12 months probation, and fines. Share your thoughts.
He got off pretty easy.
Is there a reason why
there.
you're cutting in and out of?
Whoops, wrong button. But he got off pretty easy there, all things considered. 12 months probation and fines and 1 day in jail. Kind of light, in my opinion.
On November 25th,
And this is probably going to be our last video of the day. This came up in my recommendations. Woman turns simple signature into the end of the world. So this should be interesting.
2023, an officer arrested a woman for refusing to leave a football game when asked.
Okay, so what are you doing? Why am I arrested?
Because you weren't listening.
So I'm arrested for not listening?
Yes.
I'm about to lose my whole nursing license for not listening. Not because I caused
told you to
any
back
harm.
off and not touch me anymore.
Based off of what somebody else told you. I haven't fought anyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I fought you.
That would be resisting with violence.
I fought you with violence?
No, I said that would be resisting with violence. That's a different charge.
That's crazy. Like, you come from the same place I come from. What are you from? Puerto Rico?
I'm from here. I was born in Gainesville.
But are you Puerto Rican?
Yeah, my dad's from Puerto Rico.
Okay, that's crazy. There's no way that you're religious at all.
We're gonna take you out of cuffs so you can sign this, okay? Can you sign it for me?
Can you please explain to me what I'm signing?
Yes, of course. This is a court date right here. This is a court date I want you to
12/11/23.
at 1:30 p.m.
Okay.
All right, and it's going to be for an appearance for this charge, obstruction of law enforcement.
Okay, can you explain to me what that means?
So basically, I was giving you a lawful order after I was told by one of the staff members they wanted you ejected from the game. After me explaining it to you, you refused
You never
to...
explained it to me.
I did explain it to you.
You never explained to me why I was being ejected from the game.
I did.
You told me that someone made a report, but you never had that conversation with me as to what the report was. I never had a conversation or altercation, physical nor verbal, with anyone that was involved in the game.
Okay.
Lady, you could basically be ejected from a game for any reason, really. It's no different than being on private property, because that's exactly what it is. You're on private property, and you obviously caused some sort of scene, and I wouldn't be surprised if alcohol was involved, and you got into a confrontation or something, and the event staff wanted you removed. It's as simple as that.
Do you want me to finish?
So what is the issue? I need to know what I'm signing.
Okay, I just explained to you you are agreeing to come to that court date.
Okay, I'm agreeing to come to the court date, but I'm not agreeing to having an altercation with you, nor anyone else.
Again, so
There
this
was
is
never an altercation, nor verbal, nor physical.
this is a charge, not a conviction. I'm not saying you are admitting guilt to
No, not Markworthy.
this is just you agreeing to come to this court date. That's all you're signing it for. This isn't you saying I agree I did this thing.
No, but I don't agree. You never had this conversation with me. You literally just arrested me because of what somebody told you. There was never a physical nor verbal altercation.
It doesn't have to be. What he's charging you is resisting without violence, right? Officer Bilali, resisting without violence?
Yeah, obstruction of me trying to get her out of there, bro. Yeah, resisting.
So you probably just need to add that in there, resisting without violence.
There was
What that
never an
means is
altercation. He just
there
came up to
doesn't
me
be
and
an
arrested
altercation.
me.
If he tells you
It
to do
has to
something
be
and
because
you
I
don't
worked.
do it.
I worked so hard to obtain my nursing license, and I'm not about to lose it because of what.
And here we go with the life story. Lady, I mean, I know nothing about your nursing license or whatever, but if you do lose your license, I mean, that's on you because you don't know how to act. Like, really, it's not the officer's fault. It's not nobody's fault but yourself.
I don't even know who reported me.
Just getting a notice to appear in court. And
It's
you
a
can
big
tell
deal
all
for
of this
me.
information to a judge.
It's a big deal for me.
I understand. I'm not saying that it's not. I'm trying to help explain because you
It's
didn't
a
seem like
football
you wanted
game. I
to
don't
listen
care about this. And he's not about to charge me for something that I didn't do. I didn't fight you.
But do you
I
know
didn't
what he's
fight
charging you
anybody
with
around
doing?
me.
He's not charging you with fighting. Do you understand what he's charging you with?
Violence. Something about violence.
Without violence. So nothing about violence. Let him explain it and just be quiet and listen to what he's saying. He'll explain it all
We're
to
the
you.
same people, bro.
That doesn't have anything to do
Black
with
and Puerto Rican is the same
that,
thing.
that doesn't have anything to do with it, nor
It has
should it.
everything to do with it.
Okay, let him explain.
You know, that's it. Well, first off, like, the officer isn't your bro. And second off, why is it that a lot of these suspects always try to turn it into a issue, but when it's not a race issue, it just flat out isn't.
Explain. You're gonna let him explain.
You can't explain because you don't understand where I'm coming from. This has everything to do with it.
Okay, let him explain.
Okay.
You're not me and you're not him, so you don't understand.
I'm trying.
And I'm not about to lose my whole life over
Are you gonna let
a report. And that's crazy that you don't get that.
Do you want me
That's crazy. And I hope you don't believe in God.
Alright, you brought God to this multiple times. Are you going to sign this, agreeing to come to this court date?
Not until you add without violence.
It's right there. RWOV, without violence.
Okay, because I studied nursing, not criminal justice. The DEF, what's DEF?
Defendant.
I'm the defendant.
Yeah.
Refuse to leave the section. And Leo, which is you.
Yes.
Then you had to forcefully remove me from the above location.
Yes.
So that means we fought? What does that mean?
No.
What does that
Had to
mean?
put you in handcuffs to get you out of there and come with me.
Because I'm asking for an explanation when I haven't had a fight or argument with anybody around me.
Nobody's saying that you didn't.
So what is this saying?
It's saying that he told you to leave
Listen,
and you
Miss
refused
Hayes,
to leave.
I haven't had an argument or a fight with anybody around me at all.
I've heard you.
Lady, you're arguing with them right now. I mean, they're trying to let you leave on a summons to appear in court. That's all they're trying to do at this point, because, quite frankly, they probably don't want to take you to the jail because they just want to be done having to deal with you.
You say that.
And he walks up to me and tells me that I have to leave. Why? You don't think I deserve an explanation?
You give her the explanation now if she's willing to listen. Are you willing to listen?
I'm willing to listen because this is my life.
Okay.
But you don't get to walk up to me when I haven't had a fight, verbal nor physical, with anybody, and you arrest me.
Do you want to listen?
You don't think that's a big deal? Honestly, do you think that's a big deal?
I'm telling you, I didn't tell you it wasn't a big deal.
Okay.
I told you it didn't have anything to do with violence.
So this is what I explained to you before, and I'll explain it to you once again.
You haven't explained anything to me. You're doing it for this camera right here. I'm a correctional nurse, so I know to pay attention to my surroundings. You walked up and tried to arrest me because of what people told you. But I haven't had a fight nor argument with anybody tonight.
We're about to game 1 and 2. You
Yeah.
You don't care because you're not me, and you don't have kids that look like me. But you're the same person as me.
And you still won't listen to
You're a Puerto Rican, which is basically black. What's the problem?
Nobody's trying to bring race into this.
What does that have to do with anything?
Okay?
It doesn't matter. You're charging me. This is my life. Because of what people told him.
You keep telling me that you're going to let him explain, but you're not letting him explain. You keep talking.
I get to tell my story, Ms. Hayes.
Tell your story to the
Sergeant,
judge.
you don't understand.
Yeah, lady, you can tell your story all right to a judge in court. Does this look like a courtroom to you?
And I can express myself.
Here's where we're
I
going.
don't want to hear it.
You
La,
can
la,
sign
la, la.
this. If you
What do
don't
have to
sign this,
say?
you get transported to the jail and you get booked in
Right
at
now,
the jail.
I'm trying to help you get to your family and leave with them tonight. That's what I'm doing with this. The alternative is I take you straight to the jail from here.
What is the problem that you're charging me with tonight?
I've explained it to you multiple
You haven't.
times.
You haven't, and you're saying it for the camera. But what am I being charged for?
So I came up there.
130 pounds. What is the threat?
I explained to you you were being
You
ejected.
never did.
I can't even explain to you now. Are you going to sign this?
No,
Okay.
until you explain to me what's going on. I don't want to go to jail at all.
Okay.
I'll tell you and you that. Straight up, I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to lose my nursing license. I don't want to lose everything I worked for.
Well, you're making it very difficult for me not to take you to
How?
jail. Because I've tried to
I'm
explain
not
to
being
you.
violent.
It doesn't matter right
What
now.
is the problem? You're going off of what people told you, and that's what I have a problem with. You're going off of what people told you instead of asking me, hey, what's the problem? I'm a correctional nurse. I deal with psychology. I deal with mental health.
You want to know what's going on. But in order for you to know what's going on, you've got to stop
I
talking.
don't get to lose
You gotta
everything
stop talking
over
and
what
listen.
people
And you're not
that I don't
listening.
even know who
You're not listening. You're still talking.
told him
You're not
something.
listening.
I can fight for me.
There's nothing to fight about right now.
Yes, there is.
There's,
This
what
is
there
my
is to do is to listen. Like, this is not going away, okay? This is happening. All right. The alternative to this is physically being arrested and taken out to the jail. Okay. I understand that you want to defend yourself, and that's fine. You can do that in front of the judge at this court date. That's what this is for. So those are the choices. This or go.
For freaking hell's sake, like, talk about being overdramatic. Lady, just sign the damn ticket and you won't go to jail.
Back into the handcuffs, get in his car with him, and take a ride out to the jail and spend the night in the jail. And I know that you don't want to do that. This allows you to go home with your family.
Well, right now you're not agreeing to sign this. The alternative is for me to take you to jail.
What are you gonna gain from it, though?
She has
We're the same person.
She's.
Can you step out for a second?
No, but she'll be out in just a minute. We're trying to get her to sign something so that we can let her go with you. Otherwise, she's gonna have to go to jail. She's just not listening and not cooperating.
Because he's lying.
Okay.
He's lying.
Thank you.
So we're the same person, bro, and this is what you're willing to do to impress her.
I do not want to be here. I do not want to be here right now.
Are you gonna sign?
Who reported me for what? Is what I want to know.
The people that manage the stadium.
Who? I haven't had a fight or an argument with anybody.
Listen, this is how it works. You don't have to have a fight. It's just like when you go into somebody's business, right? You go in Walmart and you upset somebody in Walmart and they say, we don't want you in here anymore. You're trespassing.
What?
And then it doesn't matter. You don't have to do anything, right? Walmart can just not like the way that you're interacting with people or whatever. And they say, hey, we call the police. We want her out, okay? And so that's what we're doing. We're just acting as the stadium's security today, and we're saying you need to get out. And you wouldn't go when he first asked you. So
Because
now
I need an explanation. What did I do?
I explained to you already.
No, you haven't. You haven't had a conversation with me until Miss Hayes, the sergeant.
These officers have been beyond patient with her. They have given her now multiple opportunities to just sign the damn citation. Like, at this point, stop giving her chances and just take her to jail. It's clear that she's not going to sign it. And this is another example of alcohol and stupidity being a bad combination.
You haven't had a conversation with me at all, and you know that.
I know I've had a conversation.
Hope you don't believe in God, bro.
Why do you keep on bringing that into this?
Because God is a big deal.
Okay.
And you haven't had a conversation with me at all.
Okay. Are you gonna let me tell you?
And you're willing to ruin my entire life.
Look, this is the same thing that happened before. I told you to back away.
Don't touch me.
You ready to sign?
No, I'm not ready to sign. I'm not ready to sign my life away.
You're not signing your life away. You're just signing saying that you've received this piece of paper and you're going to show up in court. That's all you're signing. You're not admitting guilt or anything like that. Okay? You're just saying, yes, you will show up in court on this day. Okay?
No, it's not okay. I just need to get half a minute.
To do what?
To process this.
Yeah, but you read it already.
He's not being honest in front of this camera.
Okay, so if you feel the officer isn't being honest, argue it's in court. You're not admitting guilt or anything. You're just signing a promise to appear. That's all that is.
I can't sign my life away.
If you don't sign it, you understand you're going to the jail? I already told you, this isn't admitting guilt.
He's just gonna prove a point. And it's like, for what?
Are you gonna sign?
Just have a minute.
You've had several. We have other things to do, and your family's outside waiting on you.
What? Football? I don't give a about football. I'm here because my mom loves football.
The game's over.
I don't care. And he doesn't even have the audacity to be honest. You're the same person as me. You're
And again, tried to play race into this somehow. Arrest her already. Like, stop wasting time with this. She has now made it crystal clear she is not going to sign that citation. Take her to jail and be done with her. She wants to act like an idiot. That's her own problem.
Puerto Rican. You're brown. And you're trying to make me lose everything for what? To prove a point to Miss Sergeant Hayes? They don't care about you when the tables turn. I hope you know that.
I do. Yeah.
And you have to forcefully remove me how?
By putting handcuffs on you.
Handcuffs, and that's it. Did I fight you? Did I argue with you? Did I do anything to you? No. Miss Hayes, Sergeant Hayes, I hope you understand.
I do understand. I need you to sign this, or we're getting ready to put you back in handcuffs and take you to the jail.
I'm not going to 3333.
You will if you don't sign this.
I'm not going there.
Okay, then let's sign this right now.
I'm not losing everything that I've worked for, Miss Hayes.
You're about to. If you don't sign this piece of paper and show up in court, that's all we need is a signature and a fingerprint from you, and you are on your way with your family. You can talk to the judge about all of that.
I can't lose everything.
Okay. Come on. Here, you got to sign right here. Sign your name, and we'll put your fingerprint on it, and you'll go.
You don't care because you're not in my shoes, but I can't lose everything I work for.
Because I need to get another unit here before I transport her with the family.
For what?
I'll have to get another unit here before I walk out there with the family.
Yeah.
I can't lose everything that I've worked for. I can't go through everything. I can't go through it again. And you don't understand that because you're not me.
You accept this or you go to jail. Those are your only two choices.
I can't accept that I did this.
You signing this is not saying.
They've already explained to you, lady, multiple times that it's not an admission of guilt. Like, what is wrong with people? Like,
You did it. I've already explained that to you. It's just a promise to show up and tell the judge your side of the story. Okay. No, she's almost refusing to sign the NTA, so we might have to take her out to the jail because she's not signing it.
I can't go back to 3333. I'm telling you, I can't do it.
Right now, we're just trying to have you sign this, so
all right, he's going to get somebody to fill your spot, so you can take her to jail.
No.
Listen, this is it. You sign this right now, or you're going back in the handcuffs, you're going to the jail. That's it. This is it. This pen needs to be picked up in 10 seconds. Sign this, or you're going to go to the jail. Okay, well then you're going back to the jail.
I can't go to 3333.
You have to. That's the only choice.
Let me sign it.
We just spent 10.
I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. I almost called it, but I should have. I knew the second they go to put handcuffs on her, she'll say she's gonna sign the ticket. I had a damn feeling that was gonna happen. Lady, you had way more than enough opportunity to sign that ticket. We've been sitting here for the last 16 minutes, and you had 16 minutes to sign the ticket. You chose not to. Now you face the consequences. Stupid is as stupid does, as Forrest Gump would say.
10 minutes trying to let you sign it.
Because I need to understand.
Listen, you had your chance.
Yep.
Well, we gave you the chance not to.
I can't do it. Please let me. I was just signing it, Miss Hayes.
Listen, we stood here for 20 minutes with you trying to get you to sign it.
Sergeant,
ready?
Yeah.
I deserve an explanation.
We gave you an explanation.
Can I please?
Which copy do you want? See that you have all our information, or do you want any of these copies?
I would just toss it at that point.
Well, I'm gonna have to void it, but I'm just saying.
I don't need any of that.
Can I please
need it.
sign
Maybe just give me the
I
top
don't
one.
want to. Bro, I'll work it.
Yeah, as long as you destroy it.
Yeah.
Maybe it's possibly like the name of the jail or something, because I was wondering that also.
Hey, can one of you, are y'all headed somewhere? Or maybe Freddie, can you walk out with him? Her family's right outside the door. And
I know.
she's talked herself into going to jail now, so.
How? Can I please sign it?
No, we
Where
do
you
this
need to
for
go,
30 minutes.
I'm parked at 2nd Ave. And
Where's the jail then? All right, you're going to actually drive.
yeah, they were able to fill my spot, so I'm just gonna transfer.
Second Avenue.
And,
Oh, where we all parked.
yeah.
You just don't
You gonna walk
care.
with him?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, come on.
Can I please sign it?
No, we gave you like 10, 15 minutes at this point.
I went a year.
We were in there for 15, 20 minutes. What was taking so long?
Just walk. Walk.
I don't care about football.
Man, the stupidity the stupidity meter was off the charts with that one. You really can't make that one up, ladies and gentlemen. All she had to do was sign the promise to appear, and that would have been it. Man, how stupid can you be? What a genius. Just had to sign the citation, ends up in jail instead. Yep. Oh, I'll never understand it. Boy, like, talk about being over dramatic, too. Acting like it was the end of the world. Like, lady, you have no one to blame for this situation entirely but yourself. That's for sure. All right, everyone. I think that is where we're going to wrap up today's live stream. Been streaming just over a little over 3 hours now. We try and keep these around 2 to 3 hours. So, yeah, it's been fun today, though. I mean, we had that drunk guy at the beginning, this lady at the end refusing to sign the ticket, the angry DoorDash driver, and man, today was just insane overall. It really was. Boy, today's theme definitely was bro, basically. So many people overuse that word excessively. It really is like ridiculous. Um, so yeah, I want to thank everyone for hanging out with me today. As always, thank you all in the chat for being here as always. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, and two crying men. Oh yeah, that dude, that drunk dude. That one was good with the open container, just freaking out and then throwing himself on the ground like a little toddler. We do want to thank again Sally Port for the 10 gifted memberships today. Another thank you to Legal Fiction for the 10 gifted memberships. And Sally Port again for the $10 super chat today. I really do appreciate that. And thank you again to Wixom for the $20 PayPal today. I really do appreciate that. very much. Your support really helps me out, and I do appreciate it. Oh, and right at the end here, thank you again to Sally Port for the additional $10 super chat. Thank you, bro, for keeping me sane today. You're welcome, my friend, and thank you for your generosity and support. I do appreciate that. I'm gonna try to have a new video posted, hopefully this weekend. I did kind of fall a little behind schedule. Was planning to record my voice lines last night for the new video, but the Celtics were on. Then I was gonna try to get up early this morning, which I overslept, so hopefully tonight I can get the voice recordings for that new video done, be able to edit the video and put it up for members. But we'll see. It might gonna try to get it out hopefully to the public by Friday, maybe Saturday, but we'll see. Gonna try to also put up a new short, maybe tomorrow, more most likely. So yeah, find some old videos and create shorts out of those. And yeah, I think that just about does it. Be sure to join the Discord server if you haven't already. It's where we hang out all the time when we're not streaming. It's always a fun hangout. And that just about does it. So, thinking, try not to miss anything because I know I missed a few things last time. Oh, yeah, the thumbs up button, as always. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. The more likes just helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps YouTube basically suggest the channel and videos to more people. So if you haven't already, smash that thumbs button on the way out of here. That's going to wrap it up for me for today. Thank you all again so much for watching. And as always, I will see you all next time. Take care, everyone.